Huh? The stories. Oh, yeah? Well, hi. Hi, everybody. It is Artie of Artie's Corporate Fiction. I'm here with Alduin. And I got a little update for him. I took him to the vet earlier this week, and he's got a bit of an eye infection. He might have the clap on his right eye. So they gave me both a steroid and an antibiotic to help with him. And 7 o'clock happens to be his treatment time. So you guys get to see the first part of it right now, which is steroid. He gets a little drops on his eye. Come here. Wait. Hmm? Yeah, I know, you're a little brat. Oh, there's one drop. There you go, 2 drops. There you go. Nope. Close it. And then in about 5 minutes, he'll get the antibiotic ointment. Yeah. I know. Dad's mean. Yeah. Okay, there you go. And there's Serana. But hi, guys. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. I had to get sufficiently posted in anticipation for tonight's stream. Since we're watching Kim Blandino, I thought I was done. I thought the war was over, but apparently it's not. The man just can't help himself. Hold on. Here's the ointment. Oh, I'm gonna let it sit. Let it sit until he's ready. Hey, Dios mío. Dios míos. Okay. But, alright, I'm sufficiently inebriated to listen to this schlock. Let me make sure I have the right thing going on here. Hold on. Oh, that's why. That explains it. 1 second. There we go.
Good morning, Judge.
All right.
Kim Blandino appearing pro se for Kim Blandino.
Okay.
If I could have introduction of the prosecutor, I'm not familiar with who this
Okay,
is.
so Ms. Blandino, hold up.
Yeah.
I need to do some procedural things first.
Okay.
Okay. Looks like you received a citation in this case.
So this is not the most recent video. This is the prior video that was uploaded about 5 days ago. So we're just gonna watch both. As Serrano judges me from on top of the PC. What? Serrano? What do you want? Hmm? Are you being a kitten? Yeah, you are. Okay.
Well,
You
that's
said-
debatable. I'm here by special appearance only, by the way.
Okay. Looks like somebody received a citation in the name for Kim Blandino. Was that not you?
Oh, I am Kim Blandino, there's no doubt about that.
Okay. And you received a citation on January 8th of 2026?
I got a MCR.
Hi, Celine. Thank you for the 199 super chat. I see you. The most infamous Jewish Florida man in my chat.
Which is quite different than what this is, that is the charging document at present.
Okay.
So to answer your question, but there is, one of these are not like
So
the other.
Mr. Blandino, hold
Yeah,
on.
okay.
I'm going to ask you some yes or no questions.
Right.
That pink document that you were holding up, you received that on January 8th, correct?
Right, about 2 hours after the alleged incident.
Okay. And you also received an additional copy that you held up just a moment ago, correct?
Are you using the word additional?
Yes.
No, this is not an additional copy,
Okay. You received that document when you came in today, though?
just before I came in.
Okay. And it's your contention that those two differ?
Well, it's not my contention, it's provable fact because I can read English and I know physics.
And I understand that's your position. I just want to make sure that you got those copies.
Right.
Okay, excellent.
Now, there's one
Mr.
thing I need to address before we get to anything, and it's an administrative thing.
Okay, so
And
Mr.
the
Blandino,
prosecutor,
Mr.
I am here.
Blandino, before we do anything else,
Yeah,
I need to address a conflict that I have with this case.
that's what I was about to raise, that you were a prosecutor in a previous case.
That's
And,
correct.
and I understand that you want to raise that issue. I mean, unless you have deep-seated favoritism or antagonism toward me, or reasonable minds might question under 211 of the Nevada Revised Code of Judicial Conduct, where reasonable minds might question the impartiality, or under Rippo versus Baker.
Sure.
That's another standard, which is the fact that there's the risk of bias here.
And
I
so-
would like to
Oh,
say
yeah?
that I have no problems, if you want to move forward, I have no intention of filing a motion to disqualify. And so then it's up to, you're of course going to make a record, the prosecutor, as to whether they want to file a motion to disqualify under the circumstances.
Okay. No, I appreciate the representation, and I appreciate your position regarding my impartiality. I do feel that I have no personal bias or prejudice against you. However, as you recall, I personally prosecuted you personally.
Right, you were
for-
successful on one count, and then I got a dismissal on the other and a not guilty on the other. There were 3 counts altogether. If that's what you recall, that's what I recall.
I don't recall the number of counts, but I do recall the trial.
Okay,
Given that, I do feel there is a clear appearance or perception of impropriety. I do feel, as I said, I don't have a personal bias or prejudice. However, as you stated under the judicial canons, specifically I've got in front of me here, judge shall disqualify him or herself in any proceeding in which the judge's impartiality might reasonably be questioned.
and I don't think that, I think that the word reasonably, especially when I'm giving you the assurance that I have full confidence that you will put aside any of the past. And I don't think it would be unreasonable on my part in this particular context and knowing you. I mean, we talked in the elevator before and after that prosecution and everything, and we're all on good terms and there wasn't any animosity. I think that based on mine, because I had this situation come up, I had to get a writ of mandamus in my family court case.
So
Judge Richie
let me
disqualified.
stop you there because I can't make any decisions on this case if I'm going to disqualify myself.
No, but I
So
think,
I don't want to go into any of the facts. I understand.
I just want to make a record that I don't think it's reasonable. I don't think reasonable minds could question, especially when, even if I had any kind of trepidation at all,
excuse me.
I'd waive any right to file a motion to disqualify, and I think it's entirely reasonable to not question your partiality under this, under Rule 211 of the Code of Judicial Conduct. I see nothing, and I don't see the appearance of impropriety, even though that's not a ground, but there's no appearance of impropriety in any way, shape, or form. I presented that in a mandamus case when Judge Richie disqualified himself, and they said, yeah, you improperly disqualified yourself, and the Nevada Supreme Court ordered him back on my family court case.
Yeah, I do think it's very odd and interesting that he's desperately trying to say that this judge is not biased and he wants this judge.
Even though there could be some residual resentment there, I said, no, I think Judge Maupin, Judge Richie at that time, to be fair, who's still a judge in the bench
And
today.
I appreciate that, Mr. Blandino. I disagree with you. I think my impartiality could be reasonably questioned, given that I personally prosecuted.
Well, I'm going to have
So
to,
I am going to disqualify myself.
well, you're going to disqualify yourself, but I'm going to put you on.
Wait, the judge personally prosecuted something against Blandino, but he's desperate to keep him on? I feel like if the judge personally prosecuted something against him, then that's very reasonable grounds to disqualify himself.
On notice right
So,
now.
Mr. Blandino, I can't have you talk over me. I'll give you a chance to
Okay.
speak,
All right.
but I can't have you talk over me. So I am going to disqualify myself based on that past history, and I'm going to reassign your case to our chief judge so she can assign it appropriately once she's had a chance to review the proceedings.
Okay.
Can I make a record, though?
Make a record?
Yes. So I am going to reschedule you in Municipal Court Department 6 in front of Judge Giordani. Her calendar is relatively flexible, so I want to work with your schedule. Do you want to come
So I guess the foreshadowing, this is the judge that we're going to see in the next video.
back? Do you want a 1-week return date or a 30-day date?
Because you said Giordani, that clarifies things. She prosecuted me as well, and so she's going to have the same possible problem that you have. So we could be doing, A, B, C, D, E, or whatever, Department 1, 2, 3, 4. But I need to let you know then that if that's your position.
Mr. Blandino.
Sorry,
So I ask you a question. I need to have you respond to the question.
what is the question?
So the question is, would you like to be scheduled in Municipal Court Department 6 in 1 week or in 30 days?
Well, let me make a record here, Judge. I intend to file a mandamus petition trying to get you back onto this case.
Oh my
because I think
God.
You're outside, and I want an appellate court or a reviewing court to review your decision because
Oh my
and I
God.
would like to ask for findings of fact, conclusions of law by you so I can take that on mandamus because I don't want to go just up there on.
Okay.
So in other words, I want you to spell out so they have a clear record as to why
Okay.
you think reasonable minds could question,
Mr.
because I
Blandino,
disagree.
I'm going to ask you one more time.
Yeah,
And appreciate that I'm going to give you a chance to make the record and make any requests subsequent. But I need to address this scheduling issue first. Would you like to be scheduled
Guys, this is why I had 3 very strong beers before coming back and going live, okay?
within Municipal Court Department 6 in 1 week or in 30 days?
neither. I want to stay pending my mandamus petition.
Okay. Given your concerns about the case potentially being reassigned yet again due to additional conflict, I'm going to put you on a more expedited schedule so that things aren't delayed. I'm doing that based on what you've represented. So I'm going to place you on Municipal Court 6's calendar, on their arraignment calendar for 1 p.m.
And who's the judge in 6?
That's Judge Kelly Diodati. She's the chief judge. She is in that supervisory capacity over the municipal court.
Okay.
So I'm going to place you on their 1 o'clock arraignment calendar. What is Wednesday's date?
It'll be 18th.
Okay, so that is going to be February 18th. Again, that's Municipal Court Department 6 at 1 p.m. And she can address whether she's going to assign the case to herself or one of the other judges. Now that we've got the scheduling issue out of the way, what was your request regarding the order?
Well, you're going to have to do, and so that the reviewing court will be able to do it. And that, now if you want me to prepare something, I mean, I can, or the prosecutor can be directed to do it, but some findings of fact and conclusions of law so that the district court, as you know, I can go from here on mandamus or prohibition to the district court on an extraordinary writ petition. And so they need a clear record. So we need to know what basis. I mean, you say reasonable minds question, so you're going to have to put a fact pattern together.
What's
about
a-
prior prosecution?
Oh
and then some
my God.
conclusions of law, so that they can say yay or nay. And I believe, I mean, I've got more experience than you, Judge, in the court system. And
That's a very bold thing to say to a judge right there. But all right.
judicial district court and the municipal courts. And I think the district court is going to say, in this case, because, you know, with Ham versus district court and everything, they are very scared of taking a judge off a case. I mean, it leans toward
So,
the
Mr.
presumption.
Blandino, I don't necessarily need the rationale for your request.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Well, you know, a reviewing court can't review just bare minutes. They
So,
have to have.
Mr. Blandino, I'm going to respond to your request.
Yeah.
Okay. Given the nature of the disqualification, I feel that I have made a sufficient record orally regarding the basis for my disqualification. However, you're requesting that I draft a written order as well, and I am going to grant that request. I will draft a written order, and it will be prepared prior to your appearance in Municipal Court 6.
Can I have
Anything else you'd like for the record?
Why, just to make sure that the fact pattern, that because there's a fact pattern here that's based on, what was that, how long ago was that case, 10 years ago or something, maybe even more, that case was there. Can I have the option to review the order before you sign it in case you made any clerical errors or anything, and then, so can I have the right of review before you actually sign that order?
If you dispute the content of the order after it's filed, you can address that with Judge Giordani.
Okay.
As the chief judge, she has the authority to review the order and take any procedural steps that she feels appropriate.
And do you have a timeline on when I can expect that order?
Jake, I think it's just to point out to what Jake is saying in chat. I think it's been kind of well established that Blandino tends to have a very, very different attitude depending on the gender of the judge presiding over his case. I think it's been kind of borne out in the years that we've experienced this individual.
Order, you think?
Like I said, it will be filed prior to your appearance next week.
And that's February 18th, so it will be before then?
Yes.
Okay. All right, well, I'll get to work
Otherwise,
on
you
my
are all
petition.
set.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
You're welcome.
Hey,
Good luck.
congratulations. I meant to stop by
Oh my
A
God.
couple times before. To
Oh my God, he's glazing this judge.
Because we had that past experience.
Oh,
Seems like you're doing a good job so far.
Thank you.
Except
Oh.
for this issue.
oh my God.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Oh God. All right. What's next? What are we dealing with next?
Okay,
First,
so
would you let
I
me enter
talk,
my
sir.
appearance? Could I
I'm
enter
gonna
my
tell you
appearance?
once. I talk first, you talk next, okay? Good afternoon, Mr. Blandino.
Good afternoon, Judge. Sorry,
So you were
I,
here, hold on, sir, let me start, okay? You were here for arraignment. I did review the jobs from your time in front of Judge Walker last week. So it appears he made you aware of the battery. You confirmed that you received a copy of the citation, is that correct?
Okay.
no, I did not.
Okay, I saw you hold it up on the jack, so did you?
But that's,
receive-
it's a fraudulent document. They altered the document. I need to look at the file.
So,
But
Mr.
first, would
Blandino,
you
I'm
let
gonna
me-
stop you right now, okay?
First,
So
would you let
I
me enter
talk,
my
sir,
appearance? Could I
I'm
enter
gonna
my
tell you
appearance?
once, I talk first, you talk next, okay?
So already he's trying to. All right. Yeah. Okay. I think it's kind of obvious from that right there and then. Oh my God. Like he continues on to try and overtalk the judge when he seemed very deferential to the male judge before.
We're gonna just set a tone of decorum here so that we can have a successful
I need also
conversation.
to make a record, Judge.
We will, when not when I'm talking, okay?
All right.
So I talk first. So did you receive a copy of this citation? Because I saw you pulled it up in the JAPS video from last week. And I know you might not agree with its authenticity or have issues with it, but did you in fact receive a copy?
This is the end.
All right. What does he say? Trump something, Jesus something, socialism, savior. Oh, I don't. God, so much performative bullshit.
The citation I got.
I
They
see you
altered
have a
this
copy.
document.
So, based on that, city, are you seeking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you fill out the public attorney paperwork for me, Mr. Blandino?
No, well, I did. I left that at home, but I'm not going to follow through with that. I've got,
Okay, so do you plan to fill out public attorney paperwork? Do you plan to hire an attorney or do you plan to represent yourself?
what I plan to do, if everything gets squared away, is it my time to make a record now?
I want you to ask my questions first and then I'm happy to give you time to make whatever record that you need. So do you plan to fill out the public attorney paperwork, hire your own attorney, or represent yourself?
Neither. I plan to represent myself and ask for standby counsel.
Okay, then I need you to fill out a copy of the Ferretti canvas, which I believe.
He has worn the t-shirt before, yes.
And so did you fill that out for me, Mr. Blandino?
I'm sorry.
Did you fill out the Ferretti canvas that my marshal
No, I
signed?
did not.
Okay, then we're gonna go off record. I'm gonna have you fill that out and then we'll talk about it in a few moments. Treasurer, 5437, I'm in receipt of your Ferretti canvas. So.
I'm sorry, you're talking to me? I can't hear you.
Mr. Blandino, come on up to the podium, please.
I couldn't hear you there, Judge.
Okay. I'm in
Oh
receipt
my
of your
God.
Ferretti canvas. And it looks like based on your answers, although you didn't sign it, I know you filled it out, so based on that, I will appoint you to represent yourself. I'll grant your Feretta request. Just as a point of clarification, as I went over before you filled this out, when we took a brief recess, if you represent yourself and you want standby counsel, that's fine. You just have to bring your own attorney. I'm not gonna appoint the public attorney to represent you unless you choose for them to fill out the paperwork and for us to go through that analysis. So would you like to fill out the public attorney paperwork, or would you like to just represent yourself and bring your own attorney as standby counsel?
Well, see, Judge, I've got, it seems like you're really trying to bully me here, and it's not.
Oh my
appreciated.
God! Oh, what a. I'm not allowed to say it. I'm not allowed to say it. It's not politically correct to say it. What a victim mentality. Let's call it that then. Let's call it that. What a. You're trying to bully me. What? Where? At what point was she trying to bully? You stupid.
Some deep-seated antagonism toward me, because you prosecuted me before.
I'm gonna stop you
Matthew?
right there, Mr. Blandino.
Yeah,
I've never prosecuted you before, okay?
I've got the court documents. and
What's
all.
the case number that you are alleging I prosecuted you under?
You were in the prosecution, and I don't have the case number in front of me. My printer went out, and I don't have.
Oh, okay. Well, that's convenient.
I got a bunch of gibberish on the thing. I barely printed out this notice and demand that I had filed to see all the lines there.
Socialism, slavery, save yourself rule. Okay, Trump now, Jesus. Oh my. He's a Pharisee. I'm calling it out. He's a Pharisee.
My backup printer went bad,
Okay.
and so it's
If you
all
want to
good.
provide me in the future with a case number where you believe I was the prosecutor who prosecuted.
No, it's not a question of
Hold on,
belief.
sir.
It
As I told
was-
you before, when I talk, you don't talk, and when you talk, I won't interrupt you, okay? Just so we can make a clear record. If you have a case number that you can provide to me, I would be happy to review it. I have never prosecuted you on the cases that I can think of that you've had in the city of Las Vegas, either in my time as a city attorney or in the appellate division, so I don't believe
It
there
didn't
that
go
was
to
it.
trial, but you were the prosecutor, and it's got your name clearly listed on the documents on the portal.
And again, sir, hold on, I'm happy to review it if you provide me with the case number. As it stands right now, I don't believe I have any reason to recuse off the case, and I'm not going to do so if that is your request, because I've never done that in regards to participating in a trial against you being the prosecutor, like Judge Walker had, okay? So again, back to my prior question, would you like to be approved to represent yourself and bring your own attorney, or would
Judge, you
you?
are not letting me make a record. I am
Mr.
here by
Blandino.
special appearance.
Oh
You're not
my
gonna do
God.
it, sir. We're
You're
not
not
gonna
gonna do what?
Nope.
You're not gonna let me make a record?
There's certain things we have to get through.
Judge, I'm gonna file a motion to disqualify you. Are you assigned to this case?
Mr. Blandino, I'm going
Did
to
you
tell you.
assign?
Okay, the level of backtalk and I think it's kind of obvious night and day how aggressive and disrespectful he is with this judge compared to Judge Walker that we just heard. I think by now people should see just how aggressive he is with this judge compared to the other.
Assign
One
yourself to
last
this
time.
case.
I'm going to tell you one last time that when you are in my courtroom, I'm happy to listen to you and for us to have a conversation, but it has to maintain a.
And notice how she's not taking the bait. Notice how she, in my opinion, has remained absolutely professional. She's remained firm, but absolutely professional. She's not raised her voice at all. She's being very direct, and she's not allowing him to dictate terms in the courtroom.
Respectful tone. If you're going to raise your voice at me or be disrespectful,
she called it
our
out.
conversation is going to end. So would you like to take a moment, or would you like to keep talking?
Is it my turn to talk?
The answer, you're going to answer the questions I have, sir, so that we can get through this arraignment process. Would you like to take a moment, or can you proceed without raising your voice at me?
I wasn't aware that I was raising my voice. I'm using my normal voice.
You were.
No, sir. You
We
just
know.
told me. I'm not going to allow that in my courtroom, okay? So let that be an admonishment.
We know.
Let's go back to the original question. Would you like to represent yourself and bring in your own attorney, or would you like to fill out the public attorney paperwork?
In order to answer that question, I need to know if the prosecution is seeking jail time.
And Miss, I believe Liz was here prior, and she stated yes.
You are seeking jail time.
Correct, City? Either suspended or actual. I don't participate in the negotiation at this point, but are you seeking actual or suspended jail?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
So the
say-
maximum penalty is on this charge?
A maximum penalty for misdemeanor in custody is 180 days. Okay, and
6
that's,
months.
we're talking in custody.
It's allegedly the charge is battery. Are you aware of that?
I am.
So that's 180 days maximum penalty?
If we're talking in custody, yes, sir.
So that's 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now that I know the jeopardy I'm under and that the prosecution is seeking jail time, then
Okay.
under all the case law that I've seen, I'm entitled to represent myself and have standby counsel appointed at no expense to me. I will be filing, if you allow me, I will file an IFP under seal. I've had death threats because of these last court appearances. I had somebody that made death threats to me, and I need to file an informal pauperous status application, under seal.
Okay.
And so, but the thing is, I'm here by special appearance only. I need to make that
Uh-huh.
clear. I've asked to look at the file, you denied it. I've told you that there's been documents that have been altered on these
Just for
originals.
clarification, I haven't denied any requests you've made thus far. We're
Okay.
just trying to get through the first couple questions, Mr. Blandino, and it's the same
True.
question I ask everyone that come before me, okay? So you and I believe, are talking a bit in semantics right now. I know you filled out the Beretta, I know you want to represent yourself. In order to appoint the public attorney by our municipal court policy, you have to fill out the public attorney paperwork. If you want me to keep that information confidential, which we always do, the only person who receives that information is the public attorney herself. I'm happy to do that so that you don't have to go out and file your own informal papyrus under seal. But in order to make that analysis to appoint her and then get to the point of the conversation where we allow you to represent yourself and make her stand by, I need you to fill out the public attorney paperwork because it's what everybody who wants the public attorney to be appointed does in municipal court. So would you like to take a moment to fill that out or no?
Well,
No.
the way you put it that way, there's still some questions that arise first.
Oh,
Not
my
everybody,
God.
Nobody. You said everybody does it. I just pointed out to Thompson that second question.
And this is why he's like a pseudo sov sit. It's because he's not a sov sit in the traditional sense, but he plays the same word games that sov sits love to do.
On the phoretic canvas, nobody's ever questioned it before, but nobody is here questioning it now. It says, how far did you go in school? Yes or no? What kind of question is that? How do you answer that
You
question?
know what, that's a
Fuck
good
you.
catch, and it got
Sorry.
to our supervisor, and she's in the process of changing it, so thank you.
So you realize that this form is incompetent
No,
as
sir, I'm not gonna make that finding, and I don't wanna go back and forth, I just want you
Alright.
to answer my.
He's actually starting to piss me off. This is why I needed alcohol. He's pissing me off with his bullshit.
Questions that I'm trying to pose to you so we can get through the arraignment process, okay?
That's the
Would you
problem.
like- Would you like to fill out the public attorney paperwork so that we can talk about whether or not you qualify for the public attorney services? Then we can go down this whole road that you're talking about on whether or not she's standby or she represents you or how you'd like to proceed. But the steps,
I
and
can
I
fill that
don't.
form out. You want me to fill it out right now? But
If
there's
you
some
would
other-
like her to be considered to be appointed to your case, then yes, sir, you have to fill it out. Okay, so would you like me to trail your case for a minute while you do that?
You know, I had it at home and I don't know if I have a copy of it here. My printer messed up, so I had to copy. and
Oh no, it's my
stuff.
printer.
Plenty of copies. Again, it's something we have to do. As you know, the Supreme Court gives us outlines that we have to abide by in reference to whether or not people qualify. So I request that information of everyone who is requesting the services of the
But
public.
if I may judge, the order by Judge Walker, a written order, I demanded a written order and he agreed to that request or that demand. He said it was being transferred here for calendaring. My understanding was, despite what any preform, postcards or things might say, which, I'm under threat of warrant if I didn't come here. I was under threat of warrant if I didn't go a week ago to Matthew Walker's courtroom. And he said this is for calendaring. He says it's up to you whether you were going to assign somebody at random or assign yourself. So the first order of business, you come up in here and you say we're doing an arraignment. I don't even know if you've assigned yourself to the case. Am I to understand
Oh my
that
God.
you've assigned yourself?
Can you listen to the disrespect in his voice, in the way he talks? Like, okay.
To this case?
Yes, sir. This
And
case
you
will
did
remain
not,
on
why
purpose.
did you not do it randomly? Why was
It's almost like he's saying, like, who the f are you, Judge, to be listening to this case?
it not randomly reassigned?
Because recusals go to the chief judge.
I'm
So
sorry?
a recusal goes to the chief judge, and I am the chief judge. So it came to me.
Hey,
If I had something
Chester.
that required me to recuse off of this case, I would then randomly reassign it, but I don't believe that I do, so I will keep this case.
Well, then in that case, because I have, according to NRS 1.230, 1.235, once you now say you have assigned yourself to the case, I have 10 days in order to file a motion to disqualify, and because of the deep-seated antagonism that has been carried over from
God.
some 10 years ago when we met.
10 years ago! That's what he's alleging! He's alleging a prosecution from 10 years ago! Really?
conversations in the hallway, and you express some deep-seated antagonism toward my religious beliefs and
No,
practices.
sir, I'm gonna stop you there. I have never done that. I respectfully disagree. So unless, again, you're able to provide me with specific instances, that's cases where I prosecuted you or other things, and listen, Mr. Blandino, you're welcome to file whatever you'd like.
It will be in the motion.
But we are going to go through the.
In the motion.
It will be
Go
in the
back to the
motion.
first question that I've been trying to get an answer from you for. Would you like to fill out the public attorney paperwork today so we can go through the analysis of
I
whether or
will.
not they're appointed?
I will fill that out if you like, but I'm just telling you that it's
Sir,
under special
it's your
appearance.
question.
I will fill that out if you'd like. Again, you're saying this to a judge. I mean, I guess I'll fulfill what I'm obligated to if you want me to, if you'd like me to. Sure.
Would you like to fill out that paperwork today so that I can go through the analysis of whether or not to appoint the public attorney?
I did say yes.
Okay, have a seat for me, fill it out, and let me know
But
when
I
it's done.
still need,
okay?
I'm still needing to
Have
make
a
a
seat for
record.
me, Mr. Blandino. We're going to get through the initial steps of the arraignment before we let you make a record.
I'm
So
fine.
please have a seat.
I'm asking
I will go
for,
through.
let me ask for my
Sir,
continuance.
I'm not going to tell you again. Please have a seat, fill out the public attorney
Judge.
paperwork, and we will go through the analysis.
I object, Judge.
Thank
You're
you,
trying to
Mr.
bully me,
Blandino.
Judge. You're
Appreciate
trying to bully me, Judge. I
Let's
object.
bullying, sir.
I
Please have a
object.
seat, fill out the paperwork.
The declaration
God.
does not apply. I'm gonna have to make up my own form and get it to the court.
Based on the information that you provided, and the fact, again, are outlined by the Supreme Court, the public attorney is appointed. We can go through the analysis with the public attorney present on what you would like to do in reference to whether or not you'd like them to be standby and you predominantly like to represent yourself. As I said earlier, I am your seat of your Beretta, so procedurally from the arraignment, we have touched all bases. You said you wanted to make a record, so please go ahead, Mr. Blandino.
All right, and it may take some time. You're here under NRS 5.021. You're the chief judge. That's the statute that governs what the chief judge's duties are. I've got something that I need to file in open court that I tried to file, told you had computer problems or printer problems, which I did. You had all these different lines in there. Couldn't pull out. I even used my backups, both my backup printer and my main printer, putting these lines
You have
on
a
there.
backup printer?
Giving me all kinds of blank pages with lines, okay? I'm here by special appearance, so I want to make that absolutely clear. The judge's order, Judge Walker's order, he disqualified himself. This was supposed to be for calendaring today. So you're trying to jump over some procedural hoops, some due process.
Oh my
Shortcuts
God.
are fine, I understand, you got an assembly line going, you're like Laverne and Shirley here, but sometimes
Oh,
the
shut the
bottle cap doesn't get put on the bottle. You've given me inadequate forms that apparently for some time, this looks like it's issued 9/21/22, and for the record,
On the
it
record.
wasn't caught before. How far did you go in school? Yes or no? That's not a yes or no question. This form is clearly flawed, and it should not be going forward. It says, question 17, do you know the elements of these crimes, what the elements of these crimes are? And then in parentheses, ask the defendant to explain what he thinks the elements of the crime are. This is stage direction to the court in which they're supposed to be asking these questions. I believe it's Nevada Supreme Court Rule 251 or 252 that requires a Ferretta canvas whenever there's any threat of jailing, which there is clearly in this case. The city has admitted to that, but
And
they
for the
want
record,
jail.
Mr. Blandino, I read through your Ferretta canvas myself, and so I'm making it as a judicial officer, having read both page 1 and 2 that you confirmed you filled out based on the information provided, that based on Ferretta, you are competent and able to represent yourself. Okay, so that's the court's
Well-
finding in regards to that.
Well, the
So
standard
what
is-
else would you like to talk about today,
Well, the
sir?
standard is actually voluntarily and freely given, and that's the standard, not competently. You can actually be incompetent, still be allowed to represent yourself. But the thing is that, let me see my notes here. I've come 4 separate times to watch the courts and different things, and I've let you know about this situation that we had prior to, and I couldn't print that document out and have it today. But I mean, it's clear that you're showing this deep-seated antagonism toward me, and a commensurate with 1.230 and
Her not taking his bullshit is evidence of deep-seated antagonism.
1.235, I gotta file a motion to disqualify you. Now, you may disagree with the basis for that, but there's 4 different standards.
All right,
Actual
we're not gonna get into
bias.
that right now, Mr. Blandino.
Okay.
No, we're not gonna get into that. As I told you.
All right, but I am.
Hold on. You are free to file whatever motion you would like.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever information you would like to provide to me that would suggest.
Can we
that
file
I-
this in open court
Hold on,
today?
sir, please don't interrupt me.
I'm sorry.
Okay? Whatever information you would like to provide to me that suggests that I should not sit on this case because I'm biased, I am happy to review. And as you know, and you know very well how to file motions, you are welcome to do all of that. For our purposes today, we have touched all the things that we need to. I'm gonna set this for a pretrial hearing in 30 days. Between now and then, you can file whatever you'd like to file. You can also get a copy of discovery if
Want
you'd
to file
like.
this in open court?
City, okay, hold on one second, we'll get to that in a second. I know that typically if the public attorney is appointed, we provide, or your office provides all discovery to the public attorney. I'm asking that in this particular case, Mr. Blandino also be given the opportunity to get discovery as opposed to it going straight to Ms. Toole and then have to be provided from Ms. Toole to you, okay? So in this particular case,
You're talking too fast, Judge. I cannot make all
and I'm
that.
talking to the city, so do you have any objection to that?
I have no objection, I'll send an email to our front desk.
I have an objection.
That Mr.
I have an objection.
Blandino
Shut up.
discovery.
I appreciate that accommodation. So sir, if you'd like to write the state down, I'm gonna see you back on March 18th.
I'm sorry, Judge. I still need to make a record. Can I file this in open court?
Hold on, sir, write the date down for me, please. March 18th, 2026. March 18th, 2026 at 8:15 a.m. Now, for the record, what are you trying to file in open court? Because what is our typical policy?
Your mom.
Well, first I want to know,
1 second, let me just hear from my coach real quick. So you need to file that downstairs on the first floor, okay? So before you leave the building today, just go down and file it on the first floor.
I tried to file it this morning. The clerk said they need 3 copies, and I only have 2. One for myself and one for the printer.
Okay, so
I mean, one-
apparently the issue this morning was that there was no line in e-court to say pro se. So we're gonna note it on our end, which allows you the ability to file it on the first floor, okay? And then when it comes to copies, how does that work?
I believe they give them,
They'll scan it, they'll provide a copy.
and they have to come with copies already there.
Okay, so in this particular case, can we send an email to the front counter that suggests or requests that we scan it and then provide, we'll get an electronic copy and the city will get an electronic copy. In the future, it is your obligation though that you have to bring copies for everyone if you want to file. But today I'm happy to make that accommodation for you, okay? Any other questions for me? I understand you have a lot that you want to say for today's purposes.
No, I don't have questions,
Your
but I need to
attorney-
make
I
this
understand,
record.
but
You
now-
just assigned
Sir,
we're
hold on.
clear, Judge.
Your attorney
Oh
is not
my
here. We're
God.
not gonna get into substantive issues about your case or your position on the case until your attorney is here. So we're gonna do that on the 18th.
Wait a minute, I'm representing myself with standby
Sir,
counsel.
I appointed the public attorney and told you on the next date when your attorney is present, we will
Oh, no,
talk
no,
about
no,
how
no,
that
no,
works.
we gotta do a forensic
No, no, no.
because I do want to
Sir.
represent.
Oh my God. And no, you can't do that.
myself with standby counsel or not have representation. So if you're gonna give me the choice
Hold on,
between.
Mr. Blandino, I asked you that question probably 8 times, sir. I told you that in this particular case, if you would like the public attorney to be appointed, then you have to fill out the paperwork and we have to go through that analysis. You don't get to choose who your standby counsel is or how that works. Hold on. I make that determination based on a variety of factors. So today you asked for the public attorney to be appointed, you filled out the paperwork, and I appointed them because you qualified. If you don't want
I did
standby.
not sign that paperwork.
Sir, if you do not want the public attorney to be considered as your attorney today, as I told you earlier, you are welcome to represent yourself, but if you are seeking standby counsel, then you will have to provide it at your own expense. So how would you like to proceed today?
I'm representing myself then, no standby.
All right, so we will revoke the public attorney as attorney of record at the request of Mr.
You're
Blandino.
talking too fast for me,
And
Judge.
in reference to the Friday canvas, sir, as I told you earlier, I had already granted that the analysis, so I've read through the Friday canvas based on how far you went in school and all of your answers. I feel that you are able to represent yourself. For today's purposes, we are still only going to go through these things. So you can pick up your discovery at the city attorney's office or however they want to distribute to you, whether it be electronic, because I know they have an e-court system, or you want to pay for a paper copy. You can file the motion that you have, and I'm going to keep the same pretrial date to give you the opportunity to do all the things that you need to do in the next 30 days. Okay?
Wait, Judge, I still need to make a record. You assigned yourself to this case today. I'm filing a motion to disqualify you.
And that sounds great.
And as
so all
soon as
the
that's
motions-
filed, you cannot do anything
Sir,
else. You need
all the
to know
motions you
that.
need to file, you file them, and they will be scheduled on our motion calendar. For now, the next date you have in front of
You
you right now
cannot hear your
is
own
March
motion to
18th,
disqualify you.
2026 at 8:15 a.m. Thank you, Mr. Blandino.
That it? Oh, it's over? Oh, thank God. Hang on. Hold on. No! Okay, I'm dead. All right, I need something entertaining. Is there wasn't there an airport video somebody wanted me to see that involved DFW? Okay. Let me see if I can find it. Oh God. All right. I see it. I have it. All right, we'll watch it.
On December 9th, 2024,
Oh God,
the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport
Mr. British
Police
Man.
Department was called to
Hi.
the scene at the airport for a call for service regarding an intoxicated passenger.
Naturally.
The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
Okay. Well, he was taking off because he was, what, getting into it with staff or what?
I don't have business anymore today looking. It's Friday. We've seen that for some things like that, so
Okay.
you can help us to remember the process.
All right. Hey, boss. How you doing? So you're going to be denied boarding,
Hi.
man. They're not going to fly you.
For what?
I don't know. That's what they told me. Apparently,
What did I do? Legally, you have to tell me what I did. Legally? I don't care what you niggas say. You have to tell me legally what I did.
Okay, first off, the 1980s call, they want their mustache back, along with the Jerry curl. But continue.
okay.
You have to put it on paper legally what I did.
Okay. So, for one, they say you've been drinking. Say you was intoxicated.
What's that have to do with
So,
illegally boarding a plane?
you also
I'm not
irate?
intoxicated.
They say you also irate with the staff. With the
I
gate
with
agents.
The staff?
I'm telling you what they told me.
Okay, but legally you have
Okay.
to put it on paper what I did wrong.
Legally, I don't have to do anything.
You do.
I'm telling you.
I
Okay?
have it on screenshotted.
Okay. So we're gonna have to exit out, man. They're not gonna fly you.
Today, not tomorrow, nothing. They're not
You're gonna have to fly with a whole.
Y'all, look at his eyes. He is drunk. He is drunk.
Whole nother airline. Can't fly with American
At all.
at all.
You're lying.
I'm just letting you know.
What did I do
Liar!
wrong? Did I, do
I
something
just told
wrong?
you. I just told you.
What am I doing wrong?
They say you was irate, intoxicated.
That I was what?
Irate.
Irate.
Irate?
Yeah,
What's
irate.
that mean?
Yelling back and forth with the agents. So you was
wasn't.
removed from the aircraft.
I wasn't.
So you're not flying.
I'm not even yelling at you.
I know you're not yelling at me, but I'm just telling you what they told me.
That,
So tell me
doesn't matter,
all
bro.
night, today, not tomorrow, I'm not allowed to fly.
You cannot fly with American Airlines.
I'm just asking you a question.
You're gonna have to go with another airline. Spirit, Delta, anybody but American.
Oh, that
So I'm
sucks.
stuck in Dallas.
I mean, a little bit because I feel like American has like 70% of the gates at DFW. Maybe.
You're not stuck.
No, technically, I'm stuck in Dallas. Without American, I'm stuck in Dallas.
A little bit.
Oh, that's not the point. This is what I was booked on. I'm here for work.
They denied you board.
Okay, so I'm stuck in Dallas. My point.
Okay, so you gotta figure out the next option now.
Like the 56K modem sound is going.
All right, so
I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you. I'm saying like.
can you back up something for me, boss? There you go. All right, so
More than fine. I'm more than happy to back up. I just want to understand where I'm at, like prospectively.
okay,
I'm stuck in Dallas.
you have other options to fly
I
with
don't
another
have other
airline.
options. I'm
Okay.
asking you prospectively. Am I stuck in Dallas? Because I have no other options. I'm asking you the one airline. My job booked me to book. Apparently,
Intoxicated.
Immobile to ride.
Allegedly.
I'm deniable. I don't know what I did wrong. Sure, whatever. I'm deniable. So
Okay.
I'm incapable to ride.
Deniable.
Okay, so I'm stuck in Dallas.
Not
Are you
technically.
understanding what we're saying, man?
I'm asking you. It's not an understand. I'm asking
Are you comprehending the English language,
my
sir?
question is, am I stuck in
No,
Dallas?
you're not stuck in Dallas.
So what's my other
No.
option?
Your only option
There
is
are
to
other
exit out.
airlines.
Is to exit out.
Sorry.
So I'm stuck in Dallas because I had no other ride. So I'm stuck in Dallas.
You can be wherever you want to be,
So I'm stuck
Oh my
in
God.
but you're
Dallas.
not going to be on this side of the airport,
So
okay?
I'm stuck in Dallas. This is my point. So you have no. Oh man. You don't care to even understand.
I tried to help you, man.
I asked you.
You are not
I asked.
stuck in Dallas.
Okay, so I asked.
I know.
Okay. If you want to be stuck in Dallas, you can be stuck in Dallas.
No, I'm asking what
Okay.
my options are because I came here on behalf of a job. A job was flying me to Boston. For some random odd reason, they're not allowing me to fly to Boston. Okay, that's fine. What am I
Almost
options?
forgot about Alduin's second medication.
Once you get to the public side,
It has nothing to do with you. Okay, it's fine. That's understandable.
you can fly with another
But
airline.
I'm
You can
stuck.
contact your job and see if they can rebook you. You have other options.
But I also have another question. What did I do wrong?
I don't know. You don't work for the airline.
So legally, I have no reason to get off because I have done nothing wrong.
So
Phrasing.
American Airlines no longer have any business with you. Since you no longer have an active boarding pass, you need to be escorted to the public side of the airport.
With my three bags that I boarded
listen to me. If you don't leave this side of the airport, your next option is to go to jail.
Okay, but I also have another question. I also have 3 bags
Okay,
checked
it's
in.
going to the final destination.
So I have no way for me to get a possible way. Okay, that's fine. They're not willing to board me. That's fine. Do I have a possibility for me to board another airline to Boston for me to get my stuff?
Yes. You can do another airline to Boston.
Okay, so my last option is not. I have to leave here.
You have to leave this terminal, yes. This terminal is...
That's fine. Whatever. What is this? 16.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll leave 16.
We'll walk you out.
Well,
But I'm also asking my last 3, because technically, whether I leave here or not, my last 3 bags are going to that last destination. I need a flight to that last destination.
Anybody but American.
I'm just asking.
I'm telling you, anybody but American.
I'm just asking. That's fine. I'm just asking.
We're going to walk out through here, and then walk out through this exit.
Because I got 3 bags on that behalf, bro.
They'll meet you in Boston.
Who says I'm even get the chance to go to Boston?
Yeah, if you want to go.
Who says I get the chance to go to Boston?
You ready, boss? We'll go right over there to the exit.
Yeah, we exited.
And then we'll talk to you about the other airlines you can take, or you can contact your job. There are other options here. But what you don't want to do is just stay here. Assistant here, Office 16 for 4 different roster. Once again, she's the assistant here, Office 16 for 4 different rosters.
Come on, we gotta keep walking.
I understand, but what you're telling me is what?
I'm telling
I
you,
lost
you have
3
to,
bags.
Okay, no, it's going to the final destination. I'm telling
I
you, you have to
understand,
leave
but
now.
what you're telling me is that I lost 3
Okay,
bags.
this is your last time of me telling you
That's
this, bro.
fine.
Ah,
I'm asking you as a man.
brother.
If you don't leave right now, you're under arrest for
Tell me I
criminal
lost 3
trespass
bags.
and public intoxication.
I'm asking you if you lost 3 bags.
You better leave now, man. That's all I'm telling you.
All I'm asking if I lost 3
Okay,
bags.
let me tell you this. We
That's
can answer
nothing
all
wrong.
the questions you want to ask right on the other side.
That's fine, but even if I go
Okay,
there, did I lose 3 bags?
okay, let's go.
Did I not?
No, it's going to your final destination.
So I lost 3 bags. So I'm not going. Maybe I might not get the chance to go to my last destination. Did I lose 3 bags or not, bro?
No.
You can contact American Airlines, and then they can ship the bags to you.
What's wrong with me asking a normal question? Why do I have to go to
Because
jail?
we can walk and talk.
Okay, we can do that. Did I lose 3 bags or not?
No, I'm telling you. How many times you gonna keep asking me the same question?
You're not answering my question.
Go.
That's not answering my question.
All right, you under arrest.
All right, we're done. We're done. Idiot.
You're under arrest for public intoxication, man.
Idiot. Absolutely avoidable, but no.
Quick way to jail for no reason.
Exactly. Thank you.
Okay.
We'll walk them out.
It's not even fair.
Now you got a place to be for the night.
All right, boss, ready?
You got him? Yeah. I got it. I got it.
You call out?
Not yet.
Can I ask him a simple question? I understand. Am I not asking a considerable question? Okay, but I'm asking a considerable question for a second. You know I'm not going. I'm not going to my destination. American Airlines. There's no chance I'm allowed to at least put my stuff on the.
Not right now.
I'm asking. I'm not doing nothing
We're
wrong.
walking, boss.
Why do you have to be like that?
I'm
I'm not refusing. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm asking a question, bro.
What's the question?
Why you gotta be like that, bro?
What's your question?
You know damn well what my question is. Why do you have to be like that? I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not resisting.
I mean, for the record, he's going to lockup that's inside DFW. The place is big enough for it.
I'm not okay.
Why
I'm
do
not
I
saying you
okay,
resist.
so why do I have to be that person? Why?
Now he's in his Y phase.
No reason at all.
For what reason? For no reason.
That's what your job is. There's nothing wrong with that. But what did I do wrong? Like literally. You're treating me like I literally did something wrong to you, like I disrespected you, like I did something wrong. No, you are, because look how you're pushing me. Look how you're pushing me.
I mean, this is normal. You're in custody.
You're pushing me inconsiderably, bro. Look how you're treating me.
Inconsiderably?
You're pushing me inconsiderably. I'm not willing to go, and you're making me go. I'm not willing to go. You're making me go. This is the problem. I've done nothing wrong. For you to treat me this way.
Oh my God.
Yo, listen, I've done nothing wrong for them to treat me this way. I can sit here, they're inconsiderably making me move. This is my point. I've done nothing wrong, bro. I'm holding on. Am I doing something wrong?
Right, you undergrad.
Okay, so I'm asking if I'm doing something wrong. Am I doing something wrong?
No, but you stop talking to me, right?
Okay, so enough said.
I have nothing else to
They
say.
got you. Okay, so they got you. Enough said. You didn't have to say nothing else. They got you. Enough said.
Who got you?
You know damn well I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Who's they?
Wait. But I still have 3 bags, bro.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
but my bags can't disappear on me.
We're,
I need those bags.
To write the report for the drugs.
Guys,
Oh, okay.
what drugs? Guys, I need those bags.
This has nothing to do with you.
No, but I still need those bags though.
Okay, you need to talk to American Airlines. It's gonna be in Boston.
See, you can't be acting like please, bro, please. Cause I cannot lose my bags, bro. I lose my life if I lose my bags, bro. Please, bro. Please. I'm not doing nothing like, please, I'm not doing nothing wrong, bro. I'm not disrespecting nobody, please. I need those. Alright, whatever, bro. That's crazy.
you're right. It is crazy.
I didn't
You know what you get charged with, man?
but I didn't do nothing wrong.
Do you know what you get charged
You
with?
know I did nothing wrong, though.
Drunk and disorderly.
You get charged with public intoxication.
I didn't do nothing wrong. How am I publicly intoxicated? Ask me any question. I will promise you I ain't doing wrong. What did I do wrong? That you have to treat me like this. We're the same color, bro. Nah, it's not okay, though. The fact that we did, nah, nigga, that's crazy. They whitewashed you, bro. Yeah, I bet you did. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Until you really discover what they did.
Oh my God. And of course, he's trying to pull the race card to the African-American officers because, of course, that's usually what happens in situations like this. Oh, they got you. They whitewashed you. Whatever the that means.
You, nah, it's not okay, bro. I did nothing wrong, bro. I was supposed to be at work. Yeah. Okay, I did nothing wrong, bro. I did nothing wrong. That's not okay, bro.
My bad, man.
They got you acting like this. Do I get my at least does my stuff on the plane, does it at least come at me, please, bro?
All your property that you have with you, it's gonna go with you. Right?
Okay, but the stuff on the plane.
Buddy.
That's going to Boston.
No, you didn't explain what.
Oh my God. Good one. Based.
I asked to deliver my. I'm trying to go home, bro. Providence is my home, bro.
Providence?
Home,
oh God, he's from Rhode Island. That explains a lot.
To go home, bro. That's fucked up, nigga. I want to see my mom.
Providence,
bro.
Rhode Island. Yeah,
Get in here.
I'll do
I'm
it.
from
Come on,
Texas.
step out.
I just want to see my mom, bro.
My
Other way
mom!
around, man. You gotta step out with your foot, man. I'm gonna do a search on you right here.
Got here a couple of days ago. I just want to see my mom, bro.
Don't we
I'm
all?
from Texas, that's fucked up. That's treating niggas like this, bro. That's crazy.
I'm seeing my mom tomorrow.
There's no, you're talking to the wrong nigga, because I'm famous. I'm gonna write about you. B. Jackson. I will never forget. You.
He said say his name is Beat Jackson. Okay. He's underground in Providence, Rhode Island, guys. You just don't know yet. He's underground.
It's the Ohio one.
B. Jackson, I will never forget, bro. You treated me wrong, nigga. We're the same people. I did nothing wrong. B. Jackson. I will never forget you, bro.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck.
That's cool.
I'm famous, nigga. I will never
Okay.
forget you, bro.
Okay.
B. Jackson, I did nothing wrong. I put my stuff on a plane because I have a little extra money on the wrong color. I did the wrong thing. Just know. B. Jackson, nigga, just know it's you.
Hey,
B.
chill out,
Jackson,
man.
I don't care. Just know it's you. Just know.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.
Wait, stop. All right, sometimes the fish and wildlife videos are pretty interesting, but most of the time they're very milquetoast. All right, I guess we could watch some Blandino, or we can watch a naked man stealing an ambulance. All right, or a racist woman attacks passengers for speaking Spanish. Ooh, spicy.
On March 4th, 2025, deputies responded to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after reports of a battery on an incoming flight.
We'll watch the ambulance after this.
She ended up to escalate on her own, drinking water on the passenger that was in the exit row. They turned around, took a bottle out of all they were talking. These two gentlemen having a conversation.
Was this?
In the air.
Yeah.
So she would not cooperate, so now this gentleman are going to come on and talk to you. They want to press charges against her. So do you, I don't know her name or nothing, so when she comes up here, do I just have her to step aside?
Hold on, I wonder.
She's scared us 1 sec. Just hang out one.
Hang on a second. Did she say that she threw something at them?
Reports of a battery on an incoming flight.
Thank you. So then she ended up to escalate on her own, drinking water on the passenger that was in the exit row. They turned around, took a bottle out of all they were talking. These two
Oh my God.
gentlemen having a conversation.
Was this?
In the air.
Yeah.
So she would not cooperate, so now this gentleman are going to come on and talk to you. They want to press charges against her. So do you, I don't know her name or nothing, so when she comes up here, do I just have her to step aside?
She's scared us 1 sec. Just hang out 1 second. I got 2 more coming. I'm on camera, so you know. Well, the day attorney's coming. It was up in the air. It's fence. We get detained, but as far as the charges and everything, that goes to the fence. So he's gonna be taking primary.
All right, let me call Max.
Yeah.
All right, good stuff.
You will brief my partner here. So far, in the air, in the air, a woman, for whatever reason, was probably disturbance, threw water on several passengers, several of whom want to press charges now. I advise the air marshal here that that's what's up with me at the Fed, unless we get any more information that I don't know about. There are 2 alleged victims, or at least one right here waiting to talk to us. That's what we got. And the female's still in the front. Come on.
Are they related?
Are they involved? Okay.
Did they tell you to leave the deplane?
No, they're deplaning first.
Okay.
So you can take them off the separate.
Okay.
Everybody else.
Perfect.
That's a decent presence, but I mean, if it's true that she threw something at somebody, then yeah, a little unhinged. Probably gonna need Is that her? Oh, that's her.
Don't touch me, sir. What's wrong with you?
Stop.
Excuse.
Stop. You're being detained. Stop.
I'm being detained.
Stop. You are.
No,
You are.
no, I'm not.
Hands behind your back.
Oh my God. Oh.
What are you detained for? Why did you grabbing me like this? Why did you grabbing me like this? I'm not even moving. I'm not even moving.
Stop resisting. Stop, ma'am.
Help me. I'm not even moving.
Let them put handcuffs
I'm not moving. I'm literally not moving. Why are you pulling my arm so hard?
What state you from?
What the f*** is your problem?
I said stop several times, ma'am. You're not compliant. You need to comply.
I'm not pulling my arm.
Back up. Get back or you go too.
That has nothing to do with what's on there. Did you grab me like you stupid? Stupid ass crap. What the f*** you grabbing me like that?
Ooh. C word.
You have me in handcuffs. Why are you still holding me? Then you put the handcuffs tighter than the pins on my arm. It's in my shoe. It's in my
Yeah, because you tricked me. Because you tricked me.
I tripped you? You're literally standing on my clothes and you're telling me I tripped you? You're throwing me into... Why are you throwing me?
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit. All right. Sit down. To the wall. And you're doing all of this, telling me I tripped you.
Sit down.
Asshole. How am I gonna trip you?
Please.
He's slamming me into the wall.
Gentlemen.
I didn't
Gentlemen.
do anything.
Gentlemen.
I just got home.
Let's go over here. Come on, brother. Can you come back here?
we both sighed.
So basically, we were having a conversation.
This is the person that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We were having a conversation with the flight, and she turned around and said, "You're bothering us with your conversation." We were speaking in Spanish.
Okay.
Which may have nothing to do with it, but you know.
Oh my God! People going to Florida, to or from Florida, speaking Spanish? Mother of God.
She got really aggressive to the point where she turned around and threw a water Coke bottle in my face.
She threw it.
Coke
The liquid or the bottle itself?
The bottle. An empty bottle.
An empty bottle.
It didn't do much damage. I gotta get that.
Okay, but did it hit you?
Right in my face.
Right in your face.
Right in my face.
Like a plastic bottle or aluminum or?
As soon as plastic bottle. As soon as I hit my face, he said like, let it go, just let it go. But I can't. So I got up and I went to the flat and I told her what happened.
Fake news, Celine. Fake news.
Maybe change her of seats or change us of seats, depending on her convenience rate.
Okay.
And so we changed seats.
Okay.
And that's basically it. But she threw a water bottle in my face, and because she didn't like our conversation.
Okay.
That was basically it.
All right. Did you get hit with any of that?
I did not, but he did.
Okay. And was this up in the air or was this on the ground? In the air. Was there any further altercation on the ground?
No.
No.
We were just having a chat, and out of the blue she said, shut up.
Okay.
So we're business partners. So we're talking about business.
Okay.
And she just turned around, threw a water bottle, it flew into my face. As soon as that happened,
The actual bottle or just the liquid?
the actual bottle.
And hit in the face.
As soon as that happened, I got up and talked to the students and told her what happened. And I asked to either.
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. You'll get it.
Celine, I'm being... You have to know me by now that I'm being sarcastic, right?
You're good on it. You're good on it. It's on. It's on. It's on. Give me.
Everything is good talk about. Relax, y'all.
We tried. We tried.
Oh man.
Y'all get the officer's badge number?
Yeah.
7573.
Wait, is that her friends?
Which one of y'all? No, that's all I need. I got it.
All right. Okay. All right.
I'm highlighting the guy.
He might be downstairs, dude. His car might be downstairs. Dave, let me check.
What's good?
Incoming?
What do you mean? What's wrong with you? What's up?
Is there no incoming? There should be. The chat should be live. Uh-oh. Fuck me. Sorry. Gee, I'm sorry. It was not. The notification bot broke again. Yeah. I'm sorry, Gia. Thank you for the generous super chat, but I'm sorry you didn't get what you paid for. That's my fault. No, you shouldn't be. It's you shouldn't be used to that. That's not good. That's not good on my part. I'm sorry.
You want to fix it?
Trying to make you as comfortable as possible.
You gotta relax, okay? You're getting yourself amped up. No, listen.
I'll get her a chicken zinger. True.
Relax, okay?
Folks, no. Somewhere else, please. Somewhere else, please. Somewhere else, please. Thank you. All right. She's under arrest, yeah.
For Charlie 7?
Well, yeah. So the stuff that happened up in the air is one thing, but then she obstructed. She resisted on the ground, so.
Yeah, I mean, it should be working now. I already pressed the button, but I can already do the test jump scare, like, just to be sure. Where is it? Yeah, there.
Lumia Stream just super chatted with 99.99. They said the truth is out there.
Need me here? He's gonna reach out.
No, we're good here. We're just waiting for the keys. He's bringing the keys. Sarge, yeah.
Why do I have to go in the back of the car?
So instead of like trying to find some ways to solve it, they didn't even come to it.
Sitting from?
They were right behind me.
Okay, when you say they, who's they?
Both of the guys.
Both those two guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Right behind me. And guess what? They speak English. I didn't even know that. You know what they telling me? In English, they talk among each other to poke me for me to turn around and say something. They was like, oh, shut up. Or you be quiet. And speaking in Spanish louder. And you know how Spanish sound? Imagine how Spanish sound. I'm not knocking. I love Spanish.
Oh my God, really?
I know Spanish a little bit, but and we on a plane, you're not even being mindful, like I said. As we in a plane, it's already blocking my ears.
Right.
I gotta hear you. Like I said, I'm not saying to shut up completely.
Right.
Because everybody else on the plane talking, but you barely hear them.
So they didn't put their hands on nobody, you didn't put your hands on nobody?
Nobody.
Nobody threw anything? There wasn't water getting splashed around or anything stupid like that?
I just know I had a ball in my hand, got aggravated. I thought we just threw it in the air. I don't know. I just got aggravated. I didn't hit nobody.
Okay. I didn't know.
I was just like, oh, so, can I just like be like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they're like, can I just like, whatever.
So everybody's getting loud a little.
Because I talked to them first, I reported it, they didn't do nothing about it, and they came back to their seat and got louder and poking me. I'm trying to tell you, they blocking that part where they did. They came back to the seat and started talking louder, and this is what they said. Oh, you be quiet. They said it in English. Right. That part right there, you be quiet in English, and then they started speaking more in Spanish and stuff. Exactly. And mind you, she was trying to sleep. Before she got involved, she was trying to sleep, and there was another girl, the one that walked away. She's real quiet. She said she's quiet, but she can tell you herself.
Right.
They was being rude, and they're just playing victim right now. I'm not knocking y'all playing victim.
Right.
But stop playing victim. You started the whole thing. Like, I'm not understanding that. You on a plane, y'all pay for y'all legs to get space. I pay for a peaceful plane trip. Like, I'm not understanding that.
Oh, kiss my ass.
She
Sorry.
was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
The 27th of April, 2024.
Okay, settle down. Ah, this one. Okay. Lane, I do see that one. Okay, we'll watch that one. Let's watch Mr. Naked Man stealing an ambulance. And then we'll watch that one. And then Jake, we might end the stream with Jake's suggestion. So we got three episodes, three on the docket.
Before we begin, a quick note for viewers. Wisconsin Rapids officials have indicated that additional video connected to this incident will not be released for quite some time. What you're seeing here is essentially an early look, a preview of a case where full footage may not become public for months. Now to the incident. Police say the situation began around 5:37 p.m. when Wisconsin Rapids Fire Department paramedics were providing medical care to a patient. According to authorities, 40-year-old Benjamin Feltz, who investigators say was naked at the time, entered the driver's seat of the ambulance while two paramedics were still treating a patient in the rear compartment. Despite attempts to stop him, Feltz drove away with the patient still inside, triggering a multi-agency response.
K47, just passing Chase, still going northbound on 25th.
Sir, Dan, thank you for the 149 super sticker, and Leanne, thank you for the $5 super chat. Oh.
Rapids, if you can keep this pending, I'm gonna head to the ambulance call.
A47, just coming up to Alton right now. Speed's 30 miles an hour. Traffic light. Spikes are out. A47, spikes missed.
Nope, he's still going.
A47, we're still northbound on 25th, heading towards Industrial. Speed's 50 miles an hour now. Still northbound 25th, speed 65 miles an hour, no traffic. Coming up to Engle here shortly.
With Rapids. A41, go get some of that up on 17.
I mean, for all we know, the patient could be unconscious and they may not be experiencing anything at the moment. Jeez.
A47 Rapids, we are going westbound on Engle Road, down the dead end. Down the dead end.
Bro. I don't know. I see you, CT.
A47, we are going on the backside of Cranberry Creek, northbound into Cranberry Creek. A47, we are westbound on a dirt road towards Cranberry Marshes.
Yes, it's kidnapping. Although, actually, it would depend. Actually, if the person knew that there was a patient in there and left, then yes, kidnapping. But it would be the onus would be on the prosecution to they have to demonstrate that the guy knew that there was a patient there and still took off anyway.
Miles an hour. A47 will be coming up to
If this is all just going to be the chase, I mean, I'm going to skip ahead here.
Into a field. I've been seeing it since 417 and carried in line, 1043 with K9.
A47 copies.
73, approaching Polish. He's slowing down, tires are deflating on him.
The paramedics are probably treating the patient, but I'm going to wager a guess that there's no that the driver's seat is walled off from the back side of the ambulance. In other words, the paramedics probably have to get out of the vehicle to get to the driver's side.
Oh shit.
And no, kidnapping does not require a ransom. Is not an element of kidnapping.
Not paying no attention.
booze. Go right. Oh, wait, don't waste it.
What's up, bro?
No. Cash smack. Yeah, get up. Oh,
Driver the vehicle! Shut it off now! Come on with your hands up! Driver the vehicle! Come on now! Driver the vehicle! Open the door! Hands to it now! Come on now! Hands up! Hands up!
Oh my God.
Hands up! Turn around! Put your hands away from me!
Yeah, that looks about right.
Someone go check on the person in the back. I got it. You got it?
Yeah, at the EMT's made it known. It's like, hey, there's a patient in here, buddy.
Authorities reported
and then he ran off. Then that could be sufficient grounds to satisfy the element of intent.
Phelps now faces multiple charges
or knowledge,
first-degree recklessly endangering safety, threats to individuals involved in the legal system, taking and driving a vehicle without consent, fleeing and eluding an officer, obstructing emergency personnel, lewd and lascivious behavior, disorderly conduct, operating while revoked, ignition interlock violations, and operating while intoxicated, third offense. Court records show a $100,000 cash bond was set. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit like.
All right. Lane told me about this one. We're gonna watch it because it looks goofy. So it involves a lawyer's daughter. I can't wait to hear the entitlement.
I need to speak to my dad. He's a lawyer.
Okay, so your dad isn't here right now. Okay. You're an adult.
On February 10th, 2026, officers were dispatched in response to a reported hit-and-run incident.
Hello?
Yes, Officer Osborne with the Key West Police Department.
Okay.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Key West.
Okay.
Florida one.
On you?
Yes.
All right. Is this your vehicle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Registered to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Why are you here?
Okay. Just step out the vehicle for me, okay, so we can speak.
Why would I speak to you right now?
Okay. So right now we're investigating a hit and run. Okay. So I just want to speak to you outside of your vehicle, so you can explain to me what you remember or whatever happened, and then we can go from there. It doesn't have to be a hit and run. It can be a traffic crash if you're wanting to exchange information. So if you don't mind providing me with your license, registration, and insurance.
First of all, I have nothing to speak to you.
Okay.
Second of all, I'm not running of anything.
Okay, well, you're not free to leave, so...
Third, what are you searching for?
I'm not searching, I am investigating.
Okay.
There's a difference. You're not going to close the door unless you're just going to go in cuffs, okay? I'm giving you a verbal command to provide me with your...
Do you have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant to speak to you.
You don't need a warrant.
A traffic crash, more so a hit and run.
We're not investigating a warrant.
What? She had damage in the back of her vehicle.
Hit and run what?
Check the front of hers.
Front right. Headlight.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to explain this to you one more time. You are not free to leave. I need your license.
Okay, let me close your mic.
Okay, close it. If you walk away, you're going in cuffs, okay? It's going to be that simple.
Okay, I haven't not done
No, you're not going anywhere, okay? Listen, don't leave. Listen, look at me. Look at me.
Look at me for what?
Do you want to go to jail?
For what?
For a hit and run.
Hit
you
and
crashed
run
into
of
someone's car and didn't stop. Okay,
You're
all right.
fucking crazy.
That's fine. We can play that game.
Well, they're done.
It was that easy. All you had to do was give me your stuff, all right? Listen.
I live like in this.
I know, that's
home.
fine. The thing about it is you're sitting here laughing, okay? I'm usually not like this. I'm simply trying to investigate this and just turn it into a traffic crash. But you don't want to give me your information. All I needed was your license.
What information? You didn't even ask?
I did. I said license, registration,
But
and
you
insurance.
didn't give me a chance?
I gave you a chance, but pull your phone out,
chances, man.
and I warned you, and then you tried to close your door on me, and I sat there politely and requested these documents. It could have been that simple. So are you willing to give me those documents?
I have everything in my car.
So if I take these handcuffs off you, are you going to give me the documents?
Sure.
Because if not, I'm just going to plain take you to jail.
I'm not criminal, but you just
Yeah,
did.
but the
So-
thing is I'm giving you commands, and you're refusing to obey my commands
I
as a
don't
law
know where
enforcement officer. Okay, like I told you, I'm investigating a traffic crash, okay? So if I remove the cuffs, are you going to give me your
You do whatever
your
you
documents?
need to do. The car is there.
Okay.
And my house is right there next behind me. You do whatever
Okay, so I'm going to take the cuffs off you, and then I'm going to need you just to give
You
me the
do
information.
whatever you need to do.
And then we go from there, all right?
Sure, you
Okay.
do whatever you need to do. This is very, very random.
It's not random.
It is random.
We're not here for no reason.
I'm not here for a reason as well.
So I simply was
I'm
asking
not here
you
for a reason,
for your
sir.
license, registration, explain
You
to
do whatever you
why
need to
I am
do.
here.
You didn't
Okay.
explain me to go.
So,
you
okay,
didn't
listen.
Oh my
explain me to
God.
just random came at me
Okay.
to get whatever you need
Go
to
ahead
do.
and give me your license, registration, insurance, please. All right.
You guys call me from somewhere?
No, we got a call about your vehicle.
From who?
Somebody called stating that you
That's very personal.
personal.
You know?
How?
I don't know.
Personal?
You tell me.
I don't know. I didn't say it. You said it was personal, so I'm trying to understand where you're coming
sounds like
from.
a person. If there's like a 3 vehicles of like a police, it has to be a personal thing.
Like
I live like
What?
right here.
Like personal against you?
I don't know.
You think like so you're saying like we're coming for you?
The level of drunk logic is frustrating me.
Nothing to do with nobody.
Right, but
I'm
again.
new in this neighborhood.
Okay, I can
So
tell.
what did I do to somebody if I'm new?
What we're investigating is a hit and run. A hit and run means you.
Excuse me.
Can I explain to you, please? What's
Oh,
your name,
fuck.
Ivana, right?
Oh, he
Can I
got
explain it to you
fucking
without you
killed.
interrupting me?
Sure.
Okay, so a hit and run is, in simple words, when you collide into something or another vehicle
Something.
and you leave
Didn't
without
stop.
providing information.
Do you
Yeah.
have
Okay.
a body
Yep, that's why it's blinking.
camera?
Being
That's
hit
why
up,
it's blinking
man.
red.
Sir, Mr. Osborne. You
Yes.
have a
Ooh,
camera
Mr.
there.
Osborne.
So you know who the
Here we
run
go.
is.
You going in
You're
there?
the running person.
You are.
So you have your running.
Need a good
You
angle.
have it in camera.
Okay.
So you investigate
Why wasn't that
your
hitting him?
camera. Who the running person
I don't investigate my camera.
is.
I investigate what
I
information
know my
is provided
rules
to
and
me.
my laws in this U.S.
Ooh, she knows.
Rules and your laws?
Take that, copper.
I think this isn't a rule or law thing. This is a traffic crash. So right now we are investigating that due to the fact that someone isn't just going to call and say that their vehicle got struck and give your license plate and the description of your vehicle. You know,
You
I
do
don't
whatever
think
you need to do.
I will.
I will do whatever it needs to take to defend myself. And you have a camera
Okay.
there.
For sure. That's
I
what
know
that's
that.
why it's blinking red.
You
We're
do your
required to
thing,
have it on.
I'll do my thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So what's
We-
next?
What's next is just we're doing a traffic crash right now, as I've explained.
Okay, yep, here's some glass over here.
She kind of angled in here. Like I thought she was going to pull into the drive.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Sure.
Yeah, so she definitely hit that trailer.
I wanted to be a police in
Did
1
you?
year, but I don't.
Oh, I
think
bet she
would
does.
consider that
Not no
career.
more, you're
I
not.
understand. A lot of people just don't understand the circumstances
No,
of
I'm more like a human being
right.
in the right. But I think in my career, I'm not looking for that area anymore.
Hey, to each his own, you know.
It's
Yeah.
such a
It's not what you see on TV.
no.
You
I'm
know.
living the reality right
But
now.
yeah, this is realistic.
It's
When
just like
people don't listen to the commands that officers give,
no.
then we have to act in such way. You know.
Yeah.
I was quite polite with you.
I'll be honest with you.
But they're
I'm an
investigating
American.
something.
U.S.
That's fine.
American.
And I didn't treat you like you weren't. I can care less
What?
if you were or you
But
weren't.
you can
Are you denying me?
I know, because I have the right to. When you're
You
refusing,
have the right
when you're
to
refusing to
because
obey my verbal commands, I have the right to put you in handcuffs.
have the
Anything else?
power over everything else.
I don't.
You do. Because they're giving it to you over your power and you're working.
We need
for
a tank.
it. Is it worth it?
Excuse me?
Is it worth it?
Excuse me?
Is it worth it?
Is it worth what?
What's worth it?
Peace.
My peace? I
Fuck, I
have peace
couldn't
every
do that
night. I
second
sleep very well after a shift.
Yeah.
So here's a trailer. There's glass like right there, right on the corner. Looks just like that glass over there. So okay, just stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. Come here.
Okay.
Come
Not
here.
listening.
Come here. Stay over here, please.
Don't touch me.
Stay over here, please.
Don't touch me.
Stay over here, please.
Do not.
Stay over here, please.
No toque.
Stay over here.
Why
Just stay right here.
Why
Because I'm telling you to stay here.
But why
okay?
are you pushing me?
Because
I
you're
wanna
not
close
listening.
my door.
Okay.
Why
I'm telling
are
you to stay
pushing
here.
me? You're a f***ing man of your words.
What?
Oh my god. What?
Go f*** yourself. You belong over
Okay.
there. I just wanted to
That's
close
fine.
my door.
Okay. So you could have said that. But I told you to stay
But
here.
if a man of the law,
Man?
this is how he looks.
Buddy, just relax.
You're gonna sit here.
Give this officer your phone number. Put your phone down.
Calling people on your phone.
I know, but
done
my
with
dad
that.
is this.
Okay.
I don't care.
So just give him your phone
Give me
number,
your phone
please.
number.
Do you, stop with the phone.
I know,
Stop.
but
What is your
like,
phone
Stop.
number?
I don't know. I need my dad
You
has
don't know
no
your
my no
phone
my
You don't know your phone number?
No, my dad has no my no my
Okay,
number.
so you can pull up your phone.
Yes.
You can pull up your
But
phone
let
number
me-
on your phone. Don't
yes,
call your
but
dad.
I have to
Okay,
call him
no.
because it doesn't know my.
That you will look it up on the. Don't
I
don't
need
pull
to-
my thumb. Don't pull my thumb. Okay, stay right here. You can look it up in your phone
Okay, but I
under
need
my
to call
settings.
him.
You don't need to
Like
call
he-
anybody.
He's
No.
like right here. This is my house.
Okay, well we're not calling
And
you
I
right now.
park here all every time.
Okay, so you don't know your phone number is what you're saying.
Here we go.
I can also just get it later.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Okay, I'll get it later. No big deal.
Listen to me, okay? I need you to relax and I need you to just listen.
No, I
please.
don't need to relax. You're accusing me of something that I never
Okay,
done.
so listen.
And you're following me with like with 3 police cars that I never
Okay,
done.
so listen. That's Officer Florence, the one
I
you
don't
just
give a
spoke to.
who the
Okay,
is.
again, listen. He explained to you the crash scenario. So now his crash investigation is over. Okay?
Okay, and
Okay.
what does that
So
have to do
now,
with me?
now we're going to start a different investigation. Okay?
Oh, so this is your whole plan of the entire time?
What plan?
Just wait a minute. Over here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah.
Stay over here.
Don't you listen to simple instructions?
Just stay here.
Okay,
please.
I'll stay here.
Okay? So, right here. Just stay right there.
I'll stay here.
Just
Why
stay right
you
there.
have to
Just stay right
You're
there.
a man.
Because you're not listening. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
No, I have a lawyer
No.
that needs to talk to you.
Okay, so do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
I have a lawyer.
Okay, so that's not the
Okay,
question.
that's fine.
The question is if you understand your rights that I've
No,
explained.
my-
Oh, that
We're
bitch a
talking
tiger. I just
Okay,
took that
so
hoe out.
I'm going to assume that you do understand and you know you want to talk to a lawyer, so you don't want to talk to us right now.
My lawyer
Fucking
will
big
talk to
rounds,
you.
baby.
Okay, so
Can
you
I
don't
have
want to
your
answer
card?
any
Push
Can I
questions.
have this
Charlie,
card?
No, you
baby.
can't
Do you
have that
even
card.
know this law by heart?
So listen. So listen.
No. Can I have your card then?
No, you can't. Okay.
Okay. No. Then.
So you don't want to answer any of my questions or talk to
Can
me?
I go
Is
to
that
sleep
correct?
now?
No, you're not free to go. So you don't want to answer any of my questions or talk to me?
No. Maybe tomorrow when I speak to my lawyer, he'll speak to you.
What do you have in your hand there? Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Do you want anything else to go with you to the jail out of your car? Do you want
No, I
anything
don't
else
know.
out
What
of
else
your
you
vehicle?
need for me to go to the jail that makes you money?
Nothing's going to make me money. Please, have a seat.
You're
welcome.
so
Have a seat.
romantic. I will need my phone and call my father.
Okay, you'll be allowed to make a phone call in a little bit.
I need to call him
Well, that's not happening.
now and let him know what the
Well, it's
is
not
going
happening.
on because none of this
Uh-oh.
shit
It's
is
not
going
gonna
on. You
happen.
tell me another thing and you're gonna tell me
Okay, so listen.
there's another
Uh-oh, she's
thing.
getting madder.
You're bringing me here like on jails like I'm a criminal.
So
no.
listen, you
She's
said
getting
Give me
angry.
my phone.
I'm not going to give you your
Give
phone.
me my phone right now, and I
not
need to
gonna
call
give
my
you your phone.
lawyer right now and my dad.
Okay.
My
Well,
dad
it's not
needs to know
happening.
what the is going on
Okay,
right now, and
that's
you're
not
not
happening.
bringing me in for another one
Okay.
bullshit thing that you need to
So listen.
clock in for.
So listen, you see this
No.
line right here and these
I'm
spots?
No, absolutely.
At Giazoe just super chatted with 99.99.
Okay.
They said
So you
gotcha.
understand?
I understand.
Okay, good.
Gee, you didn't have to do
My
that.
lawyer or my dad.
When we're done,
Thank you.
yes,
No,
you're
before.
going to be afforded
No, I want to
opportunity
speak to my dad
to
before
call.
before I die. That you have to tell me all the things that I have to Junior, I would like to say goodbye at least to my dad.
Okay, like I said,
My dad.
when we're done, you're going to be afforded to call whoever you wish. Okay,
And
if
why
that's your-
My
we're
dad.
done now to
Because
say,
that's not how it works.
so I want to call him now and tell me what I should be doing now because apparently you're doing something the opposite, something that I have not done. I'm here in cuffs, which is something incorrect. Sir, Mr.
What?
Andrade?
What's that now?
Yeah.
You had a question? Go ahead.
No, never
Oh,
have
no?
a question.
Okay.
Just observing you with your own cuteness.
Stop flirting. Ew! No! Ew! Oh, that was the worst. That was the worst. Oh, gross. No. Oh, burn that from my memories. Burn it. Yeah. Oh. What was that? What was that supposed to convey? Oh, no.
What do you need to do?
Okay, I need you to sign this.
Accused for things
Yes,
that have
exactly.
never
You're being accused. Okay,
done.
you're not being convicted. Okay, that's not this.
But
That's
why
not
are
this
they
right here.
accusing me?
Okay.
I need to get in contact with
We're not
this
going to
person
go.
that
You will have that
either
opportunity.
run-
Okay.
either run from what?
You will have that opportunity. Right now, you're being charged, and these are the charges.
What am I being charged
I
for?
already
I
went
came
over
from
with you
work
numerous times.
home.
Okay, we're not going to litigate it here.
I have a need to speak to my dad.
Need for speed.
And if he says sign this document.
Okay, so
then
your
I
dad
will
isn't
sign.
here right now.
Okay.
You're an adult.
No.
The decision is yours.
Okay, no, but
Okay.
I need to speak to him. I need
So
to speak to
you're not going to
somebody.
speak to anybody right now. Right now, you're going to make the
need to
decision
speak
of
to
either signing or not
Sorry,
signing.
I tried
Okay,
to
so
mimic
you're going
it.
to sign them?
I don't know yet.
I'm sorry.
Okay, no, we're not going to do this. We're not going to. Give me those
Please,
papers.
sir.
Give me those
Sir.
papers. Give them to me. Are you
Hold
going
on.
to sign them? Yes or no?
Hold on. Hold
Yes
on.
or no?
Maybe. I don't
No,
know.
not maybe. Yes or no?
Stand by.
Hold on.
5, 4.
3.
Counting
Oh
down
my
to
God,
one.
it's like a
Once I get to one,
toddler.
I'm going to assume
It's
that
a
you're not gonna sign
toddler.
them. Because we've been standing here for 5 minutes.
Questions.
After refusing to perform field sobriety tests, declining to provide a breath sample, and refusing to sign the required forms, the woman was charged with hit and run, driving under the influence, and multiple counts of resisting an officer.
All right, we got Jake's recommendation. Okay, YouTube really wants me to watch
February
Florida
9th.
Fish and Wildlife. I don't know why, but they really want me to watch Florida Fish and Wildlife. No! Oh my God, no! Who turned on my controller? Oh. It's a kitty! Go on, kitty! Brother. All right.
On January 5th, 2022, the Clearwater Police Department was called to the scene at the local
Florida.
Marriott Hotel for reports of a potential disturbance at the location. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
And actually, the one gentleman, I don't know what room number it is,
Also,
but I saw
yes.
the one guy walk by out by
Blessed Ash Wednesday, Father.
So my wife and I were at the bar inside, and some individual came in, and the bar refused to serve him. There was two couples. They moved. One of the guys moved. I can introduce you to the guy. He moved down one seat, and then he started giving him shit. And I said, "Hey, guy, just take a breath. Don't worry about it." And then he came over. He put his hand on the back of my neck, and he said, "You have a fucking problem?" I said, "I got no problem. Take your hand off the back of my neck." He says, "Don't tell me what to do." And then that's when we called you guys.
And then he just kind of walked off.
Okay, let's
On
start us
January
again.
5th, 2022, the Clearwater Police Department was called to the scene at the local Marriott Hotel for reports of a potential disturbance at the location. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
And actually, the one gentleman, like, I don't know what room number they're in, but I saw the one guy walk by out by the pool.
Hey, my name's Russell. I'm the one that called. Okay. So my wife and I were at the bar inside, and some individual came in, and the bar refused to serve him. There was two couples. They moved. One of the guys moved. I can introduce you to the guy. He moved down one seat, and then he started giving him shit. And I said, "Hey, guy, just take a breath. Don't worry about it." And then he came over. He put his hand on the back of my neck, and he said, "You have a fucking problem?" I said, "I got no problem. Take your hand off the back of my neck." He says, "Don't tell me what to do." And then that's when we called you guys.
And then he just kind of walked off.
Well, they had to pull him off of me.
So, the hotel staff?
That gentleman was with them, right? The guy that was... No. The guy right there, wasn't he with the couple?
I think he was.
That's
okay. And they had to pull him off of me.
Can I see the back of your neck real quick?
Yeah. Well, I'm not a pussy.
That doesn't mean anything. I understand what you're saying. Trust me. Do you want to do anything about this or not?
So all I want to do this is when I wanted. I didn't realize they were going to send 4 or 5 of you. I apologize. Right. My brother's retired from the State Art Patrol in Ohio. I'm a retired battalion chief from Cincinnati. I'm not a pussy. Right. You just can't walk into a bar and do that kind of shit.
No, I understand. Nobody here is saying that.
Yeah.
You are. I'm just saying.
No one's calling you a pussy, bro.
Somewhere, and if he,
I got you.
He needs to understand you can't go up and grab somebody by the neck in a bar.
So I'm assuming if you want this done, we'll try to talk to security, figure out where he's staying, get him off the property.
And talk to him. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
All right. Well, do you want to point to me?
Yeah. Actually, the bartender can give you a full. He saw the whole thing happen.
Okay. If you want, I'll meet you over there in a second.
All right. Thank you.
You guys know what room he's staying in?
With the disorderly. I'll take it if you want. I don't know what room he is. Like I was saying, the one guy that was walking down there with the little purse on his head was with the couple. But they got on the elevator and went up, but I don't know which room they're in. So
you said who knows them?
Yeah, I'll show you where he's at right now. What am I doing now? I'm going to bail on the map. I don't know what business.
Where did it happen? At the bar, you said?
Yeah.
Out here?
Right in the inside bar.
They have video, I'm assuming, right?
No, we have nothing. No video on property.
You don't know where they went?
This is the couple that was with the other couple who actually, I'm pretty sure was the one. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure that was the right one.
If they find them, I'll do disorderly.
No, that's not the couple.
Okay. No. So we don't know where the group was.
No, I apologize. That's not the couple.
So if they're staying on the property, if he doesn't want to do anything about the battery, if you find them on the property or you know where they're staying, if you want them off the property,
we'll
just call us back and let us know. Because obviously we can't go door to door.
Sure,
of course. So
I didn't see what floor they got off on. So.
If you see video of them walking through here or something like that, that way if we come back we know what they look like. You know what I mean? Or if you see them walking around, just call back and we'll have them trapped.
I remember what they look like for sure. I'll be here.
Same thing for you. Just let them know if you see them. That way we can call and we can come back.
Listen, I don't want him carted off in Pinellas.
No, we're not going to be doing that because you don't want that. What I'm saying is, if you want them off the property.
Oh yeah, we would just put it at our place, and that's really it. You know, get them out of there.
All right. Well, just call us. Let us know.
Got it. Sounds good. Thanks, guys. How's your name from the room?
Yeah, it's Russell.
Can I bother you for a second?
Me?
Yeah. Can you tell me what happened with
me?
The thing in here with the guy and.
Thing with the guy.
Did you see when you moved down a chair for somebody and then there was an incident? Can you tell me what happened?
I moved down a chair. That folks that were going out that way, they were moving back and forth. There was a gentleman down towards him, and that's what I saw.
What did you see the other guy do to him?
He walked down and put his arm on his hand and his neck.
Okay.
And his shoulder.
Thank you. You want to come look? We got him.
You got him?
Yeah. Will you come verify that's him? Like I said, you're not trying to be a victim. The hotel, the business is the victim. It's disorderly conduct. Not acceptable.
He's running?
Hello?
Oh, they're running!
Hey, I know you hear me yelling. Come back here and talk to me. Come back here to the property. Come back here and talk to me.
What's going on?
Did you guys go in a fight earlier or something at the bar?
Oh, no.
Was something happen at the bar?
Yes.
Yes, that's probably you.
Yeah.
Let's go back here and talk on the property.
Somebody.
What's your first name, buddy? Do me a favor, can you take your hands out of your pockets? Yeah. I appreciate it, man. Where are you from?
Iowa.
Iowa? Okay.
Iowa!
Do me a favor, turn around that way.
What did I do?
Turn around that way, put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Put the palms of your hands together.
What the hell did I do?
And the other guy goes, you're
That's why I got mad at somebody and talked to them. I didn't go. Are you serious?
And I think he thought he was being funny. They go no one. He's like, oh, we'll buy you a drink.
I put my arm around him. Okay. I didn't hurt him. I didn't do anything.
And the guy
I asked
goes,
him what he was saying. He was saying. That's assault?
Remember, like, all right. 12 info 1.
Are you serious?
Hold on.
6-2 info code 5. Iowa
I swear to God, if we go there, people will go, it was not being like me.
Well, the problem is you can't put your hands on people that don't want to have their hands put on them.
Well, the guy that moved over goes, no, it's not a big deal. And the other guy goes, yeah, it's a big deal. And then my husband goes, oh, we'll, like, went over and he goes, we'll buy you a drink, like that. And he goes, I'm going to dial 911. And then we go, okay, we'll just go home. Like, we'll go somewhere else.
Where are you standing?
There.
Oh, over there?
Wait.
There.
I want to go home.
We'll get there when we get there. Just.
We'll just go home. Where are you staying? There. So you're walking away from home. Nice. All right, hold on. I get this tank in position before it blows up. All right.
We're gonna walk back over to the property.
Oh my.
And then we'll give it to you.
Not a, I swear to God. Because like we were like, we'll buy you drinks. Can you please move over?
Right.
My husband's like, oh, like, no, he's not me.
Well, I'll tell you what.
He's not me.
The guy didn't like
this
that.
Is funny.
So that's the problem.
This is so funny because he's not me. My husband's like stupid.
Well,
like funny. Like, oh, I like
he'll be able to.
Drinks. Can you move over?
He'll be able to bond out in a couple hours, but you might have to find a new hotel.
Wow, Father, that's good to hear.
That hotel?
They're probably gonna kick you out.
No, because we have like 5 more days.
Well, they're probably. I'm telling you, they're probably gonna kick you out. If they know you're staying there, they're probably gonna kick you out. I'm not kicking you out, but the hotel might.
I know.
I am dumbfounded. There's 4 cop cars here for this.
Stand right here for me.
Okay.
You okay? Sit.
Yes. No, I'm
face
not
the car for a
sick.
second.
I'm dumbfounded.
Dumbfounded? Flabbergasted.
No, I don't have a cough or nothing. It was a fake cough of, I can't believe what's going on.
All right. Do me a favor. Take a seat for a second.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
I do. Give me the second.
No.
And then the guy goes, we have to make you go up to your room. And I'm like,
Iowa.
Iowa.
You grabbing his info. Appreciate it. Can you? Did you see the guy?
Yeah.
It's the same guy.
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay.
What's the zip there?
3. Yeah. So he just talked to the other guy where they moved him down.
But like the staff wouldn't have seen it. Right?
No. The bartender saw it too.
Okay. If you want to wait here, I'll go talk to you. But he or her?
It's he. It's Rick.
Rick.
163. You show me 1015 adult male. You start me PT. Is the bartender working still? Rick is his name? Rick, is he the bartender?
He is, yeah.
Is he, I don't know where the bar is.
If you go down the steps and make a right, you can't miss it.
Because I guess he witnessed it too, right?
Sure, yeah.
Because he said that's the same guy. So. Did you see any of it or no?
No, I came down and I broke it up and I had them, I said, you guys gotta get out.
How you doing? Hi guys, how you doing?
Hey, what's up, man?
Are you, no, Tyler, is he Rick?
Yes, sir.
Did he see what happened at the bar? Did you see what happened at the bar?
I didn't see it. I wasn't here.
I'll ask Rick.
Yeah,
he's busy.
he'll probably. He can probably find the time to chat with you.
If he has time, yeah.
Okay, I'll let him know.
So, find your way to.
At least I thought so.
So which guy was? There's two guys, right? The bald guy with his wife. She has a pink
There was a
shirt.
couple. The wife initially came in and was just loud, and
She has a pink shirt on.
she had a red shirt.
Yes, all right.
Not mistaken. Yeah.
We're with her now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They found them walking away, trying to walk.
Yeah. There was the gentleman that was that you spoke to sitting at the end of the bar got up and moved.
Because they were like
seat
being
for
loud.
them. Well, so they could all sit down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Were they at the end of the bar?
And they were. And she said something I did not hear. It was some type of a really nasty remark to the gentleman's wife who called you.
The girl in the red
Jesus
shirt made a remark to the guy that moves wife.
Yes, the guy that.
So they clearly was starting problems.
And then the bald-headed guy got up, and that's all I saw was like his arm around the gentleman's neck.
Like what? Like this? Like they were like grabbed him. 'Cause that guy said he came over and grabbed him. Was like, we have a problem or something.
That's
like clearly antagonizing. Like
that's
trying to
exactly what happened. Now, for some reason, after 41 years of bartending, they were cut off literally about 40 seconds of walking in the bar. I knew that wherever they had been, that was truly the last stop of the evening for them.
Yes.
And unfortunately, that was a wonderful gentleman. They're here.
The guy.
Yeah, from Orlando.
That's he's sitting here now, right?
Yes, he is. Just trying to chill for a couple of days here. And
that's his wife?
Yes, it is.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh wait, so the guy who called it in is actually a Florida native who's visiting, I guess, Clearwater? Is that what Floridians do, I guess? I don't know. Whatever.
I know you're super busy, but
That's it's not super busy, but this was, I mean,
can I just grab your info real quick so I can get out of here?
Yeah, he got wronged big time.
So, because
no worries.
he doesn't want to do anything about the battery, about him getting touched. Okay. But we are arresting him for disorderly conduct in a retail establishment.
Okay.
So obviously that's not okay. Especially if he's staying here, he's just going to come back and do it again.
Well, yeah, I would think that they're probably going to remove him from the hotel this evening as well.
Probably. Is Rick your full name?
Is actually Derek.
I talked to Rick, same thing. I don't know if he told you anything, but I guess the couple was sitting at the bar. They actually moved over. That way that other couple could sit.
Sure.
Then I guess his wife in the picture started saying something super derogative towards his wife.
Gotcha.
And then that guy that we put in cuffs in the car got up and went around and just kind of like put this guy in a little half chokehold and was like kind of showing, you know what I mean? Like, hey, do we have problems type thing? Like holding him like he's like manhandling him or something. So.
Do we tell him it's Wednesday at 8:30?
I know, right? That's why I'm like, are you serious? On a Wednesday night at a bar.
Wait, it's a Wednesday?
Anyways, I don't know we'll get what room they're staying at. Do you
Bro.
want her off the property?
Yeah,
because he's going to jail.
He gave us the room number, then he took
It's a Wednesday night at a hotel bar. What's happening here?
Back in here. Well, I'll tell her out there, but she'll have to come and get her stuff and get out of here.
Exactly.
All right. Hi, how are you guys?
I know you booked, what, 5 days here?
Yeah.
Your hotel's everywhere. You can literally go right across the street.
So it's like going to the shore.
They're not
Okay, got
gonna refund
it.
you for tonight, but they should refund you for the rest of
It's like going to the shore for the weekend.
You gotta call.
Nah, yeah, I understand.
You'd have to call corporate
I
and
like
do
to see if
that.
we being on somebody and like they were hurt or something happened. There was not. There was somebody like.
Well, ma'am, you know, unfortunately, I wasn't here, and all I know is the two stories that I have.
You got that story though.
I got your story, and I got her story, and I got.
You got other stories. You got little like.
You got the horror story. How about that?
To be like this, I get it if there was like something big, but there wasn't. There was not something where you
I think
you guys should actually be doing something.
I think the lesson here.
Important.
I think the lesson here is you just can't touch people just because you want to.
We should like
that's the
put your
problem.
hands on somebody and like hug them and go like, hey,
Well, it sounds like it was more than
move
that.
over.
Again,
It was more than that.
I don't know.
Did you like look at the video?
I didn't.
Like all I'm saying is, did you like look at the video? Like all
What
I'm
video?
saying is look at the video. My husband's
What?
like, I'll buy you all drinks.
What
and
video?
go over. And the guy's like, oh, and like he was being a dick. And we're like, all right, we're leaving. Because he goes, 911, y'all made us move over. And we're like, all right.
I don't think that's what they said at all.
Like, did you? Yeah.
I like how the wildest thing is that her story is not being corroborated by anybody. Like the guy who called it in, his story is being confirmed by at least like 2 or 3 witnesses.
I'm like, that's what I said to her. hotel.
Okay.
Because my husband had a confrontation with one of your people.
Gotcha.
And then they got called in, even though.
So we just need to check you out here?
Please, yes.
Maybe a final
And all my stuff is in my room, so I can't go. I have to go to my room to get my purse and everything.
Yeah, you said yeah. Oh, okay. And then, yeah.
So I have to go to my room.
Sorry?
Apparently, the husband was not that guy. He was not that guy.
My decision can
Want to go
change.
with me to get my underwear
My decision
stuff?
can change. So drop your attitude. Stop swearing down here. Get your things.
Wait, did I swear?
Yeah, you said
Did
it's
I just
fucking
swear?
ridiculous over here.
What did I say?
If you keep arguing with me, I have an easier solution.
Did I swear? Did I swear?
Yes, you did. I'm telling you to stop.
Yeah,
Stop
you did.
arguing, get your things, and let's go.
What did I say?
You're now trespassing if you refuse to get your things. Get your key and get your things.
Did I swear at you?
Yes, you did. Get your
Oh
things.
my God.
If you did,
Did I swear at you? I did not swear.
And we're done.
Swear. I didn't
Stop.
even swear.
Stop, or you're going to get another charge.
Sorry.
I did not swear.
Not sorry.
Naughty word.
We're not
I
gonna
didn't
stand
say a
here
naughty word.
Trespass.
You can't say I said a naughty word.
Stop fighting against me and walk.
He said naughty word. What the fuck? Well,
Now you have another charge. Stop fighting with me. Get up.
Shelly, take away the $10.
You just gotta
Hi, Micah.
stand
Welcome
up.
to the stream. Hope you're old enough.
Stand up.
This is
Stand up.
this is not a family friendly stream.
Say nothing to you.
Now you have
Sorry.
a resisting arrest charge.
What? Because I couldn't walk.
Because you're pulling away from me.
But it hurts.
It's on my camera.
Sorry.
Oh, good. Oh, good. You're a fucking asshole. Like, I'm swearing now.
Swearing.
Yeah, I finally said a naughty word, you asshole. Why would you wear me like that? I didn't say anything.
Stop pulling
I never said
away.
it. Oh, okay, I didn't say anything bad. I didn't even say a naughty word, you fucker.
She said it again.
To help them that's up the street. Their friend is up
She's
the
going to jail.
I mean, that's fine. I'm just saying that their friend, like, get her phone to call her friend that's up the street that can.
She's an adult. I appreciate it, but she can handle it.
I'll go ahead and square some stuff on the A couple things we gotta go over. Is there anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, cut me, hurt me, shoot me, damage me in any way possible? Guns, drugs, knives, substance, tobacco, products, vapes. Should they find that stuff hidden on you or your property when you get to jail, they will hit you with an additional felony charge. You ride? What's up, bro? You ride? It says Iron Paradise on the back of your shirt. I live. Oh, you live? Yeah. Thought it was some Harley shit. Yeah, let's get some Harrison, you know I didn't.
Listen, you did do something, that's for sure.
No,
I wouldn't be making this.
Ask him what his problem was. I did.
That's illegal. You can't put your
Well, I mean,
arm
but I
around
was
somebody's
doing it
neck.
nicely when I did it. You saw the video. I didn't.
If I walked up to you and put my arm around you nicely, does it make it okay?
Yes. Well, I would call the cop on you.
Well, listen, I wouldn't either, but I can't tell somebody not calling the cops, right? Right? Can I tell somebody to do that?
But you know, there's some common sense in life, isn't there? I didn't do it.
If I could tell people to use more common sense on the calls I go to, I would.
But I mean, if I done something,
we all wouldn't have jobs.
If I did something to him, I would understand.
Face that way just for a second.
Okay,
while he goes in.
But if I did something, I would understand this shit. I didn't do nothing like that. I just asked him what his problem was because he was mouthy. I was like, dude, we were asking me down. It's not a big deal. I put my elbow on him. I said.
I was asking what his problem was because he's being mouthy. I was being nice. But he was being mouthy. So I was asking what his problem was by putting my arm around his neck. How is that not going to be interpreted by somebody as being like an intimidation tactic? Number one. Number two, you're still touching somebody without the consent. It doesn't matter if it's an arm around somebody or there's no bruising or anything like that. It's still unwanted contact. It is an offense.
Are you okay? And he goes, you got 3 seconds. I took my arm off. You saw the video. I took my hands off him.
I understand. It doesn't change. Listen, there's some things that are out of my hands.
There you go. He started going to be an all-wheel drive breakdown.
This is amazing. I put my arms around a guy and asked him what he was doing. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my God. It's not working, bro. Stop.
How did you do that?
I know this has nothing to do with you, but I hope you never put your arm around anybody. Ask them what they're doing.
I don't think I will.
Yeah, you probably done it, just didn't know it was illegal.
Well, I mean, I'm born and raised around here, so I know how Florida is.
I'm wearing a G-Shock, but it's not my go-to. What? I mean, it's
Go ahead.
I'm literally asking.
Thank you guys, and I don't see it. Could you make a request for the female, please?
I walk up to my arm and goes, what is your problem? It don't matter. I don't understand. It's a minute. Give me a fucking ticket. Send me on my way. You didn't assault anybody? That's okay.
Just come off too. I'm over with a gun. I don't know the case or anything like that, but
Give me 1 second. Just hold still for a second.
No, if I see you in my room, you couldn't even caught me.
step up.
Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
Oh, sorry about that. What? I forgot this customer still.
No, you're good. All right, go ahead. Step up.
Watch in. Where'd you go?
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.
On June
What a
8,
tool.
2024, an officer responded to a
Ew.
hotel regarding a guest who'd exposed himself to a housekeeper.
Ah,
We're gonna go up to the straight elevator.
Okay.
We've only got
bro,
one.
why?
Where's the housekeeper?
Housekeeping. Find him and see where. I'll talk to him first.
I need to know what she wants done first before we just throw him out.
I was heading for the door. He get up and he blocked me. I said, sir, get out of my face.
Okay.
Sir, go back on the bed. If you're not feeling well, go and lie down.
Okay.
Because there was tons of alcohol. I mean, tons and tons of alcohol.
Do you want to press charges?
No, sir.
Okay, I have to make sure because you're technically a victim of a crime. So if you want him just thrown out of the hotel, that's fine. But if you want to press charges and want him
I
arrested,
don't want you talking to anybody else. I am like a person like.
Right.
I can defend myself.
Right.
Maybe there's some younger ones here.
Yep.
Maybe they can't.
Right.
So
Like I said, you have the right to refuse him getting arrested. That's fine. But I want to make sure before we just throw him out and you want him arrested.
No.
So you do not want him arrested at all. Okay.
That's somebody talking to somebody else.
Okay. Okay.
Fair.
Housekeeping.
Housekeeping. Sorry.
Hello, housekeeping. Entering. Hello, housekeeping.
There's no one. They must be on downstairs somewhere. Which days are right? Yeah, I think so. Jesus. We need to figure out where he's at.
He's definitely drinking.
Yeah, he's smart as a god. First walk.
Oh, it must be. It must reek.
Oh, Jesus. Where is it? There's. Tell front desk to change the key.
Yeah. Must be stank in there.
Yeah, I gotta go for a key to lock him up. They can just change it downstairs.
I just look to the cameras if you see some random drunk.
Get him?
39 yesterday.
Okay.
So we should be able to see on the camera checking in right here.
Okay.
I just gotta get the password for the camera. Oh, wait. We'll use this one. Yeah, she said he was muscular.
Okay.
So he's with somebody. So I wonder where she was. That looks like her.
Yeah. Oh, today? He had scratches on his face?
That's what the housekeeper said.
Which that would make sense why she's at the bar drinking already.
By herself, yeah.
By herself. That's not him?
No. Sure, for sure.
Oh, yes, that's him.
Okay.
That's him.
Okay.
Yes, that's him.
Okay.
So that was this morning?
That was checked in yesterday.
Checked in yesterday.
Okay.
He's got to be around here somewhere.
Well, he certainly is. So you want to just go out there and talk?
Yeah,
to him?
I can do that.
Okay. All right, we're coming out there.
Oh, I told them it was very nice.
Hi there. Good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Officer Reeds. Do you know where your boyfriend is right now?
Yeah.
You have some way of calling him so I can speak to him?
It's his phone is turned off.
His phone's turned off? Okay. Well, thank you. If you happen to see him or anything, let the front desk know, or let somebody here know so we can talk to him.
Yeah, it's my birthday weekend.
Oh, happy birthday. So.
Oh, no.
It's great.
Hopefully it'll get better.
For now. Uh-oh.
But he's got to be freaking wandering around somewhere.
Well. Uh-oh.
He was under. He was in Lino's.
I was not here last night, no.
He was in Lino's.
1 o'clock it started.
Okay.
All the way till 7, and it was like a WWE tour.
From upstairs?
10:06.
Okay.
9:06, and it was like, what?
Okay.
They're screaming so loud.
That's who we're dealing with, though.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what we're trying to deal with there, really.
Oh. There's only two ways he could go: towards the front desk or towards the beach.
Right.
So, did she said if he was sleeping when she left?
No, he was late. He opened the door for her.
Oh, that's right.
He's at the desk.
He's at the desk.
He's at the desk.
Oh, he took off. He's in here, though.
He's got.
Where'd he go?
Ooh, he's running.
Christian, where'd you go?
Hi there. How's it going?
Hi.
Good.
Let's have a talk.
Good.
What?
Let's have a talk over here, out of the way. So what all happened this morning?
What?
What happened this morning up in your hotel room? Nothing at all?
No.
When a maid come in to clean your room, what happened?
Oh,
what happened in that one?
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Nothing at all.
She told me
None.
$20.
$20?
Yep.
Are you sure
Okay.
about that?
Yes.
Okay. When you were sitting in the chair, is that when she propositioned you or when you were on the bed? 'Cause there's two certain different stances.
Told me $20.
Okay, told you $20? Okay. You have your ID on you?
No, I left my
Oh.
wallet
Where's your wallet at?
in my room.
Really? That's what he's going with? That she propositioned him. Really? Okay. Okay.
In your room? Let's go up to your room and pack your stuff up.
Oh, that's fine.
You have the key for the room?
Yeah.
She said she propositioned you?
She told me $20.
For what?
For what?
You don't know? Why would somebody offer you $20?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. Do you know?
I'm asking
I don't-
you. I wasn't there.
I'm asking you.
Oh, okay. I just asked you what happened, and all of a sudden you told me $20 this morning. Okay.
Nothing.
Nothing happened at all? Okay.
Not that I know
Not
of.
that you know of? Let's go on this one over here. Let's go to the elevator over that way.
What?
Let's go to the elevator over that way.
No.
Let's go to the elevator over that way so we can get your stuff
Listen,
back.
I'm waiting for this one
We're
here.
using the other elevator over there.
No, I'm not going that way.
Yes, we are. You're being trespassed. We're getting your
For
stuff.
what?
Let's
For
go
what?
to the service elevator.
For what?
Let's go to the service elevator.
No. Well,
Stop. You understand? Stop. Put your hand on your back. Stop. Drop your phone and your glasses. Drop your phone and your glasses and stop.
Yeah,
Grab this phone.
I'll grab him.
Let go.
I'll grab your stuff.
Let go. Now.
I'll grab your stuff so you don't have to drop it here.
Is that really necessary?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
You want to.
Well, when I'm telling you to do something, that means do it.
You're the boss.
I know. All right, let's go ahead and have a seat in my car.
In your car?
Yeah, in my car, because you're in handcuffs for a reason.
For what, man?
For what? Excuse me, ma'am, I don't hit you.
I'm sorry. For what?
Because I said so.
What did you say? What did you say? For what? For what?
Yeah.
Don't push me.
Then don't walk off.
I'm not walking off.
Have a seat. Yeah.
foolish.
Let's go get girlfriend. Yeah. We'll pack your stuff that way. Oh my God. And 13, 16 on one. Can you head up here to the Shores Resort? Oh God.
She must have gone back inside.
I'm on the 10th floor now.
The other officer's coming up the elevator.
Huh?
The other officer's
Okay.
coming up the elevator. Let me get some gloves so you can probably go through those shorts that he has in.
No, I really can't go through his stuff. I'm just trying to find an ID.
You can't, technically.
I can get his name off the what he checked in and look him up on the computer that way. So I've got one in the back of my car.
Okay.
The male, the female that's with him, we cannot find now. She was at the Tiki Bar.
What happened?
So apparently they had a big fight sometime last night.
Okay.
All night. Girlfriend leaves at 6:30 this morning. Cleaning service comes around. She's out in the hallway. He comes out and sees her. Hey, I want my room cleaned. So she's like, okay, let me finish this room. I'll come back. Comes inside. He's sitting, I'm taking on the couch, I guess, with this thing out. Whatever. She says, sir, put that up. I'm not here for that. Goes and starts cleaning the bathroom. When she comes back out, he's on the bed. She's like, okay, I'm done. I'm out. She goes to leave. He gets up, locks the door. She pretty much tells him, hey, let me out. So she does. He lets her out.
Okay.
So that part's over and done with.
Okay.
She doesn't want to prosecute for that part.
Okay.
However, they want him and her trespassed.
But we can't find the female.
But we can't find the female now. She was at Tiki Bar drinking while we were looking for him.
Oh.
Now that we found him, we can't find her.
Okay.
So if you take a few minutes to help us try to find her, I'm going to go ahead and take him to the station so I can get him booked in
Okay.
and get that done. And then
Okay. What does she look like?
we have her downstairs. We can get her downstairs on the camera again.
I got the picture.
Is she just like blonde?
White female, black hair.
Black hair, black dress on.
She's wearing like a blue dress, almost like that kind of now. It's almost the same
And you
exact
just want
dress.
her gone, trespass?
Yeah, all her stuff is up here, and all his stuff is up here.
Their stuff is up here.
She needs to get all their
She needs to
stuff.
come get their stuff.
Is their vehicle still here?
Yes.
Obviously, okay.
As far as we know, it is.
And what is her name?
That I don't know.
Okay. She's not on the call or anything?
No,
Okay.
I haven't had a chance to run her. I'm
Okay.
more worried about him.
I'll go look for her.
Are you staying in 1006 by chance, ma'am? Yeah. You are? Okay. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah? Sarah, can you get out of the pool for me? You all right, Sarah? You had a little bit to drink?
No, I'm just not happy.
Okay. They want you gone now. Or you're being.
I haven't done anything.
They want you trespassed.
I haven't done anything.
You have to leave the company. They want you trespassed.
For what?
He pulled out his fiber cords to one of our housekeepers in the room, so that's why we're leaving. Okay?
Ooh, Freebird!
I haven't done anything wrong, man.
How do you spell your first name?
I'm not talking to you.
Huh?
You're
Okay.
arresting me? I'm not
Are
talking
you
to
gonna
you.
tell me your name and everything?
I'm not gonna talk to you, man.
Okay.
You're taking me in.
Okay.
For what? For arrest? For what? For what? You just want to take me in for no reason.
For no reason.
Resisting for what? I didn't resist you. You just want to take me in because you don't like me. That's fine.
Yep.
That's fine. Take me in. That's fine. For what? Resisting. Resisting what? I'm not resist you.
A suspicious person, Caribbean condo, 2425 South Atlantic Avenue, within front of the location.
Oh my god. He's got his eye boogers. Okay, we're done. No more. We don't need any more fools being foolish. All right. Appreciate you guys. I apologize for like not streaming like almost at all. But if I'm perfectly honest, I kind of like the stream at my own pace. Even though I know it's not really good for the channel per se because it's very inconsistent. But I think it's a lot of really good for my mental health in a sense of like I feel far less stressed when I don't have that constant obligation to stream, kind of figure out what we're going to do, blah 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 blah. I kind of like having the okay, I'd be able to plan ahead. I know what we're going to talk about. So Blandino, for example, you know, and we can go from there. But I feel like once I get my house, if and when I get my house, I'll be able to actually be a little bit more consistent because I'll actually feel like I'm in a permanent position. You know what I mean? Like right now I have this apartment, but I also know that this apartment is always going to be a temporary thing. I knew I wasn't going to be here for like the next like 5 years. So I think, if and when I get that house, I'll actually feel a lot more settled and a lot more comfortable. So maybe that'll help me being able to stream more. I am going to be hanging out with Mom tomorrow. We're going to be like window shopping for furniture and decorations for the new place because that's how my mom operates now that she's retired. And probably I might be on Saturday or Sunday. No promises. I'm gonna be honest, but because I also have to go to the gym too. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the donations. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good one. I'll keep you guys updated on Alduin and his recovery. I mean, he's fine, as you guys can see. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good night. Take care. Adios. See ya. And yeah, take it easy. Bye. Hey. Alduin.
Ugh.